Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound clash, and mixtape sound station.
All right, so here we go. I need all of the sounds to the stage. Ruff cut to the stage, Fargo to the stage. Well, kick off that something, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Full time, no, man. 12:45, no. Don't have the club all night. I could start this blood clot, yeah. All who say sound for dead, shower! Come on, son, wake the fuck up. All who say sound for blood clot dead, shower! That's a little better. That's a little better. Big up all of the sound man them were there. Big up all the non-sound people that's here. I see a couple of y'all. You see me? I see big up all promoters were there. You see me? So, Ruff Cut is going to play first because Fargo is the defending champion. So, defending champion play last. Ruff Cut going to play first. The rules are as follows. First round, half an hour. Second round is going to be 20 minutes. Third round, 15 minutes. Fourth round at 10 minutes. Dub for dub. Best of 7. There is no lock-off rule. We ain't doing that shit here. Y'all want to lock off, y'all got to earn this motherfucker. You heard? So it go. So we're going to vote the rounds. And at the end of the dance, I'm going to ask y'all who won. And y'all going to tell me who won. And that's how we going to do it. Simple enough? All right, good. So when the voting time come, we'll turn on the lights. One another year. Y'all been to clashes before. Y'all know how this go. See it? So, when you not play, right? I'm going to make you know it's going to be 2 minutes left. I'm going to come over here so I'm making you know 2 minutes, 2 minutes. If you play your last song before the time done, I'm going to give you the punchline. After that, I'm going to pull up. All right? So let y'all know. So, big up all the people that want to support the bar. Big up Tech 9. You don't know, big up Shadow, Birthday Clash and all these things. We're going to read some flyers for other dances later on. We just want to take on the time and warm up on yourself and make on the way toward the front. Because yeah, so the attack and I start. Press a sample, make me here. So we know say everything is good. Because the engineer is somewhere out there. So let's press a sample when you're ready. And then we just start this. Everybody's supposed to have song and sound. I got blood clot dead. I don't want to be up here all night. So we're going to just do this quick and fast. I make the sound them start run song. Is it?
I made this big dirty stinking shower with the pump big bad sound, Ruff Cut.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Nobody blood clot people. That's what I say. Dangerous.
From St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. The crocodile.
Dangerous.
Musical sound called the Ruff Cut. Working on us.
Send the one of them come Ruff Cut, make you kill them. Send them come Father Ruffy, Barry, DJ Juice, Mr. Water Fabi, and Ruly DJ, Fire Blacks. Send them come make you kill them. You hear me now? Dark Apple are too strong and heavy. As a matter of fact, kill them. Kill them!
Yo, this is Martin representing for Ruff Cut sound, you know. Yeah, man, big up yourself in a Ruffy. Barry, Stevie, big up the whole of Saint Best same way, you know. How them want. Yeah. I tell them, hold them, please. And a clap us when we bust it, them can't stop us. Shot a load up for your boy, we try attack us. Ruff Cut to slash a pussy like a tire. Ain't not this until we dead, we not retire. Ruff ain't afraid to get him and them bloody. Dan dada like how with them have to study. We serious with the killer, nothing funny. A easy thing fi turn them in a duppy. So if I want them want, then that them I got get. Ruffy wanted them, we never afraid to make a step.
You see me as a Fabian country hard roll works, me as a black river St. Best.
City representing Ruff Cut sound I play. Lift up the name of my sound, Ruff Cut. Then let the name be lifted up also. Rise up the emblem, make it flow. Fire up, then you will see the good vibe, then bro.
So that's the first, you know?
Give them it. Ruff Cut.
Hey.
Say when you see this sound, boy, you cry. Make them cry, them fi cry.
Rough cut a beat them.
As I was a rough cut sound, oh God, yes.
Your rough cut sound. Oh yes, murder every clue. Hear me the rough cut sound. Hey, watch out now. Rough cut sound are dead tonight. Gunshot in a them blood clot, yeah. Oh God, sound violate, rough cut sound. And pussy will have to die. Them time a come, time it come.
Them better know how rough cut sound of the star for the show. How kill a sound boy and splash them a row. Them a fi go. When rough cut sound a select sound boy skin catch a fire.
Check.
Nothing can save the idiot why them from getting slaughtered. Not even prior. Rough cut sound the assassinator. Me say fi burn up your weed rasta. Me say the massive come fi hear rough cut inna the dance. Cause them love fi blaze the fire. Rough cut sound is the people's joy. Inna every sound clash, the people's joy. Rough cut sound is people's joy. And feel the vibes, yeah.
Nah, I still love is love the ones ugly. If you see me with that box, man, don't to trouble me. They ride for the rough cut sound, racing all the six vice of the man called Fargo off a Nile banking scene. Hey, huh. Gunshot to your brain. We murder son and send them off to the grave. Hey, rough cut your body, your bowl and your brave. They up on a kill sound campaign. Wow, sound man rough fly like a bird or a plane. Here on the news a sound boy get slain. Them try to test look now them life don't eat drain. Can't manage the dubs a rock.
Yo.
Sound boy get a beating.
Pull up. Good morning, New York. First and foremost, big up the Almighty Father for me to reach us. So. The next thing, I watch every clash we go on, and I don't recall the dance here, so I don't know how King Fargo or King Fargo are the defending champion. But when them a plan, God a plan. And me no left God. So you say anything them a plan, make them plan. And listen me. The mixer, nowhere near to my mixer. And the 3 MC over there can't challenge me. I want to kick them till I wait. Unruly.
New York City! Rough cut sound!
Engineer, give me some more volume on the talk. Engineer, I want some more volume on the talk. Who the ready if you want? Watch out!
From Jamaica, we fly from out of we yard. Murder King Fargo son to blood clad. Like him out, shut up. Rough cut attack. When we are kill sound and then out again. King. One check. Rough cut.
Them pussy they can't kill us on ya. Them no bad like me a blood clad. King Fargo. Watch out.
They run a race with their life now full. Car rough cut up them no nice and full. Girl up this yard. This can dilute. So make sure you fast back up. You rough cut.
Level.
Turn on all the talk over.
From 19 blood clot how long? And that can't bust. Can't bust again. Believe me to God. Fargo, it better you just go and run a blood clot restaurant and try make a money. So now make it. Rule it, turn up.
Come on. Watch out.
This is a rough cut sound. We kill King Fargo. Where them I go?
Tonight.
Listen.
Watch out.
King Fargo sound start cry from the moment that the rough cut start to play. This a generation.
Watch out.
Every dub we play, we see the King Fargo.
Who know that
is where we play.
Brooklyn, me not tonight.
This a murderation. You never met a sound quite like we. We play strong and heavy.
Level. Ringo shitos. Nobody can't tough up your face. Move your pussy clot. You can't use tough face for me. A country me come from. And the next shitos where saying come from Mobile. Remember, sell out your mama if you come up here, you know. All who know you not sell out your mother, put up your blood clot gun on.
What are them punk? Them jump
Yeah.
So now go dead in the war. Run come dead in the war. Give Father, let me tell you this. If a war you come to cook, you better think it over. Bullet in the head and foot of cutter turn you over. Because tonight this is not a chef fight. Big AK of cutter shoot out the tribe and we tell them that killing mood of we in forever. This killing mood of we in. Yeah, King Fargo and the Dina.
God no. You gonna see three of them a fight with talkaphone, you fuck. Can't walk tonight. Fire blocks up on this blood clot. Me know everything wanna plan. Me a wait for the blood clot song wanna voice. I soon tell you no name. But you see that pussy over there we sell out him mama. I want to use a woman and kick him press play.
Paradigm of this bomber clot, yeah. Rise up it all, sing them what you have tonight. Some sound boy I make feel life and that now go be alright. Rough Cut sound a champion. We murder jump and car we not afraid of no one. At 2020 something and anytime they test them at something.
Fargo, me know. You well want to win that dance, you fuck. You can't trick me like you trick cannabis, you know. A country me come from, me machine sharp, you fuck. Hold this.
Oh, na na. Yeah, na 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 na.
Brooklyn!
Yeah,
pussy that.
I trouble them, I pick up on them head right now. Now they test Ruff Cut.
Yeah. I want to use a senti artist and kick him blood clot. Brooklyn, you know ready?
Run, hide.
Watch out.
Alright then, me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Rough Cut killer sound early in a morn.
Done again. Shit deal, remember you sell out your friend killer.
Hey, when I see some boy I try step to it, and Rough Cut kill them from far. But them not ready for the war. Rough Cut tell them say, dirty sound boy I go get doom. Them little drum and them go down in a hole. Sound boy shall show you. Yeah, now and I know when this dub drop them can't cope.
Brooklyn and can't buy us this blood clot.
Some boy shall
I want to kick that line down. Watch out.
Rough Cut. My man say jump and son boy they not gonna like that show them.
Level. When me play this, you no can't buy it again, you know. Cause me get for understand, so no have a lot of splice. Brooklyn. For me boy, me watch Clash in Brooklyn. This no blood clot bias. All who want Fargo dead gun up in here.
And a melody. Tony Curtis and Frankie, that's all ball.
Big up yourself, no Frankie Ball.
Tony, talk to them.
Hey,
yeah.
Scallion and time money.
Kill them the Rough Cuts. Kill them the Rough Cuts. You're the champion, you're the ruler, you're the cooler. Please be there. When them want a big song, clash up, it's fun.
Watch out.
Kill them Rough Cuts. You're the murderer, you're the killer. Yeah, the slaughterer, so now go daddy.
Who not ready, Brooklyn?
I believe in dubs. Rough Cut made me a believer. Your dubs play like magic.
Rolly already. Don't have it again.
Oh, Rough Cut sound.
King Shitos. King Shitos.
We've made a vow that we would not kill no more.
Him kill your sound again.
Watch out.
Rough Cut.
What the real Clash fans say? Watch out. What I'm saying?
Hey, what do you play? Pumpkin sound. Rough Cut's gonna kill you today.
Again.
Any night.
Level.
Just put up a fight.
You better not call Little Blue. I can't go try help you tonight. A bumbo clot, you see, tonight, let me tell you.
And says
Brooklyn!
Say Rough Cut round the car. Lord, 20 days are gone.
soon I go dead again.
Whoa! Rough cut and murder.
Them a go get a blood clot in. Back again, sir.
Very first time I hear the rough cut sound play. Rough cut play a dub and a sound.
It's so easy to me. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Me send over me.
Tonight.
Boom. We kill a sound in the morning. We execute a sound in the evening.
Level. All who are gonna dance long time, put up your gun on in the ear. Raise it gun on.
I said to give me a damn play, I make we mash them down.
First round, boy. Listen, man, play first round.
Rough cut sound will play every time. Sounds get way, they're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best money.
Oh, no, yes.
We're not gonna try everything tonight, but King shit off.
Little sound for me tonight. You're a sound guy. Ooh, rough cut, I'm hurting real bad. Ooh, rough cut, you're killing me.
Dark again, sir.
You did not play what you're supposed to play. Running off your face, didn't know your little sound wasn't gay.
We're ready again.
Fargo, you're dead tonight. Quench it to that, see? Yeah, go ahead. You don't have to pot and spoon them.
Them can't write song. Listen.
Cause I ain't never seen it before.
Them can't write song. Listen.
I ain't never seen it before.
Listen.
Never see so many people be the bathroom figure in. If food and King Fargo cook up on the scene. People have a vision and drive on them being.
King Fargo, your blood clot team, remember this?
This is a sound of them King Fargo, but never hear about them from the bar. But the whole of them just look fishy in the land.
Remember this?
Rough cut us.
Stand up in here.
Bury them. Brooklyn say we fi bury them.
Them can't kill this.
Japan say fi bury them. New York say fi bury them now. King Fargo a go dead in the land.
Yes.
Bury them in the land. Rough cut we come fi burn down the party.
But take a break off my class scene because me have too much data yard. And run out. Me can't kill blood clot rough cut. King shit house. You see me mash it and me gun them. In here.
Them know that. When I beg and when I bow. Straight up. Rough cut sound.
Watch out.
The champion sound. Yeah, it bound. Fragment to represent and them know. When I take violation.
When I ready.
Sin. Good at rough cut to kill off a bomb clot nation. Rough cut, we tell them this. Say rough cut them ready to bust them gun today. And rough cut them ready to murder sound today.
Say OJ, DJ Juice, you know something go. Make them get down.
Kill this.
I ain't got.
I
want them. And rough cut.
Younger. Watch out.
That one your name murder. You this rough cut, you're not gonna live no further.
What's wrong?
Now?
Easy.
Wrong, alright. Sound boy, you see a pretty comfort where you like. Rough cut, ready for murder, jump on tonight. Don't buy the rings and plan the night.
Listen up, bad sound play first round. 25 years in that business. I don't can't bomb clot boss. Tonight is not a lucky night. Press play.
Barton Levy says, set it. Oh no.
Tonight!
Scene went away to a far, far land.
Gotcha.
Kill some sound in a New York. Murder some sound in a New York. When we are killed, we don't talk.
Big up King of these. Big up Soul Supreme. Young Ark. And Bumbleclad. Sino White. But me tell you this. Earth Roller, big up on yourself. Bad sound. Them here. It even make no sense and blood clot try go on with a sound clash thing. I now reach now where a pussy clot. Cause Fargo me want tell them this.
Them now run away now. Them can't run away.
Fargo me tell them now.
Tell them set to run away.
Said that them a run the place and then done the place, but them out the place. Yo, them can't come run the place. Or them for done replace. Rough cut to run the place. Yeah, said that them a run.
Remember first round, but can't kill up myself.
But them
me not hear where pussy them a come play here. Gone again.
Rough cut down the set.
You see that song, yeah?
Rough cut sound is filled with so much dubs. All they need is one more dub to slew someone, to kill someone.
Fargo, when you challenge a blood class on, remember this.
Them a chat. All of them fool it. Them a you tell them this. A rough cut.
Remember this.
With the tough cut.
Lion roar. Tell the pussy there.
Rough cut guns, them tall like Blue Mountain Peak. Anytime them bust them make people blood leak.
Tell the boy.
Chat them a chat. You see more to chat than chat on Facebook. You see me just blood clot, relax, tell it.
Tell them downstairs, yeah? Everybody up. Give them a up and deal. Rough cut. Everybody up. Look below. Yeah, give them a up and deal. What's up? I'm going to spend a couple of dollars. Make the club.
Dance all can't nice. Without the artist, yeah. Country blood class on a play. First round, press play.
Alright then. Rough cut sound again. So I end up in a problem.
All who found a war, gone up in our ear. Watch out.
37 chambers of the Bingy Temple. That's the man sit up when I do time for yard. Swinging on me, I'm not watching. Sing the city song to the rough people. Up in the hills with the rivers on.
I hear the pussy pan one class. Ringo Starr saying you used to do woodwork. You're a Batman. You are Batman. What kind of woodwork you are do? What kind of woodwork you are do? All who say me fi kill King Fargo, put up your gun on in our ear. Gun on in our ear.
We no fear no more.
Gun on in our ear.
Them dead like dog. Gunshot man a
King Fargo.
Watch out. So many son we have to suffer. Only a son boy you have to die. Now ask the rough cut why. Now ask the rough cut why. Watch out. You no cover them prepare to die.
Who no send Fargo tonight? Who no send again?
I'm Willie OJ when I'm dealing with gunshot.
We send again.
I'm in the graphics when I'm top him, I'm having.
Beat up them blood clot in here. What's up?
Them not bad.
Like we. How them a go send this time? Rough cut a figure, kill them.
I'm Willie OJ, I'm in the juice. I'm in the graphics when I'm top boy, I'm having him in a Fabi. King of Fire, St. Elizabeth, our place. Yeah, yo.
Bats on in the town, watch out. Go now.
We no fear a hoe, we no care a hoe. Let me tell you this.
Watch
out. Huh. Send them come, send them one by one. I make we show them how the rough cut stay and in town. Send them come.
Believe me, good New York. When me say this pussy can't kill me, no kill them a chat. Cause all them a go do a go fight over talk a phone up here. Them ya can't kill rough cut, me turn up in again.
Rough cut killing them one by one. Mama all them belly bottom. King Fargo sound. I said rat-tat-tat-tat. Rough cut fling a shot in a King Fargo head top.
Hey boy, watch how you're treating them.
Oh, you damn pussy like that. Ring the star.
For real.
Bambaran, watch out.
See it. Rough cut a bonfire plan a day dance. Nothing with fun and nothing with fuss. I live it every time. Emmanuel live it every time.
Watch out.
Of course you know you're bad all the while. Alright, no for them can't sleep at night. Them all a worry and afraid. Show rough cut them a try to disrespect. Them
Level. Question me ask. All who love your mother, put up your hand here. Rude boy. All who sure you never make your mother give a boy pussy for you kill him, gun on in a ear. Every man will love your mother, put up your gun and watch out.
Where would I be? Where would the rough be?
All who love your mother, what they on them? Watch out. Watch out.
Mommy rough cut love you, there's nothing they put above you. No hopes, no girl, I don't care. You stand firm in all them life, no but you.
Roll it down up again.
Mommy, I will.
Kindly done the post to them a search and can't find the gun. Ruff cut, Steve, Barry, Ruffy.
What's up on the way? You saw me relax.
Up, so down, so down. All right. Bus gun. Well, indeed, my friend, me not joke, me not laugh. Enough time, Ruff cut, make her start. Big 45 pop off. No pussy can talk. Bandit.
Tonight.
Ruff cut.
Tonight.
Talk to me.
Brooklyn.
Anyway. Brooklyn. Ruff cut away you want me fi do. Split a sound boy head in a two.
Rock it in, rock it in. To the top of Buffy, top it in.
Everybody we have ambition, put up your gun. Blast la, watch out.
Rough cut. And we a juvenile, you want killing a call. We shoot up a boy and Benz and shoot up a Hardy. You them not fi walk, fin a blood clot bar. When I them a call, we let.
Who know why you put you on the rhythm now?
Get it when you're young.
Who know why here?
Rough cut sound.
All the dancing.
Big boy, y'all.
Good.
Roll.
Boy, engineer, roll the bass.
Rough cut, roll, rough cut, roll.
Roll the bass.
Kill them and deal with them soul. I said roll, rough cut, roll.
Me a bad selector. Tell the pussy then.
A big sound. This is a special, it's a sound.
You're knocking our bass.
Something like that, that's the self, man. In a foreign pan to 25th. Drop down Benjamin, we rims them curse. Pulling on your special flip, come on, and do what.
Me and no idiot selector. I make up a blood clot, organize like them. Pitch, song. Can you see them? I'll go up a little more.
So you dead, yeah. Ruff cut and go key.
Everybody people in there. Question.
Boy, have you ever heard a sound of 444 at your door? You get guns and I got guns. Meet Ruffy.
What else? 5 minutes we are left.
In this smooth wild west.
Every man that can defend themselves. Where you gonna watch out.
We got blessed. Lead them to race when we are and we connect with the grass. And Ruff cut sound say gunshot in the ear for your nose. Say a sound we move them back 14.
You understand? Global.
Listen, my right son boy, listen.
Let them know this. The whole of New York, the boy Fargo. We get kick in a face. And from your this war 21. And Ruff cut we not
come down. From people. Play that not your bad. I dare you.
Relax your first one. Watch out.
Ready. Ruff cut at the back so you know that already. King Fargo, who them again? Hey, move from here. King Fargo, love chat. Must it one rascal talking parrot. Hey, move from here. Oi, blacks not afraid of sound around here. Remember the whole of them. Hey, move from here. Me tell you.
Who know why me hear me DJ, blood clot DJ now? Who know why you hear the singer DJ? Yo. Watch out.
Alright then, Ruff cut. We have some big 45 with the corners and everything.
So Ruff cut sound a murderer.
What's right?
New York City.
Relax,
no, New York City. No. Hey, King Fargo, yo. Knock it about. I pussy down. Knock it about. No. King Fargo. Oh, you so blood clot lie. You never kill a mosquito and never kill a fly.
Me know them a cook up a war. But you see tonight.
Yo, Ruff cut sound, yo. Watch this. Yo, Ruff cut. Ask me for shoot me, say. That easy. That them a fool. Now I'm go to the floor when me use them. Me flow, give them flu. I'm fly, I'm a flu. Them yai, I'm a flu.
Boss, no, nothing but badness and live at Brooklyn. Go ahead.
Much luck, you know, man. You know what you feel. Hey, Barry, kill them on the sorry, man. Ruff is safe best. Tell them don't test. He badness upgrade long time. And Mary James, I carry the clock fine. Ruff cut, tell them see I'm blind. Me I wear my big gun for gold. Ruff cut sound. Everyone my gun there. We kill a jump and sound, you see that. A couple broom sweep on the ground.
Me about the blood class song one of vice. The cranium one of vice, me here. Not sure me come from country, me have links up here too. Pussy, you see tonight, don't know.
I sell a coffee lighter, murder them ras.
Don't be there.
La coffee lighter, murder them ras.
Don't be there.
Me say fill a coffee lighter, murder them ras.
Don't be there.
Me say fill a coffee.
Suck your mama, Ringo
Lock off a lighter, murder them brass. Drop it up.
Damn, God kill me if I let me tell
Ringo, your blood clot, Jack Ringo. See me here now. See fire blocks are ruling a rough cut here.
Check. Bad man, me on the tone.
Jack, pussy.
Blood
You can't bad me.
Hide them hard, pussy on the shoe out the man. Alone, big
Ruling level. Pussy in a high pocket bag, a little money.
Please stop the capping. Boy, please stop the capping. Rough cut, kill sound, yard and foreign. Get and solid. Drop cap on them, I see a drop cap on them. Now be the hoes and them can't.
Everybody gonna be there.
With them gonna be there. If you point at a link, them pussy on the cash. What you have, what you know about rough cut?
It's a rough cut sound season.
I wanted to send police to tap me what he has.
Right there, yard if
that's why I'm just change the blood clot road pound.
I go run the street, dog with up with people. Kill sound local, we kill sound overseas too. Your rough cut sound. A bombshell.
Fargo, you see police where you said come.
Instant, evil died, laugh. Them devil to response.
Done up.
Most wanted, squash. More command, valve. Them capital and twist, hard cut. Your rough cut zone, bombshell. Rough cut crack off a piece of skull. One heap a gun, a million you kill a month. You heal a cut, better move with the speed. A gun the beast, I come rough cut.
Pussy feel like a rough cut sound like baddest thing. Hey, King Fargo be a splice double enough, man. Go on side. You notice on the name, King Fargo. That's all.
Get a beat, man.
Fire dub inna them rascal. Them can't give rough cut sound no rascal. Fire dub inna them rascal. Kill sound boy. Riding and braff. Oi, fire dub inna them rascal. Them can't give rough cut sound no rascal. Fire dub inna them rascal.
King Fargo, hold this again.
Tell them I add fresh.
Rough cut sound, kill a replica. Love killing no regular degular. We like the street on no wicked pan cellular. King Fargo no bad. Rough cut, roll with the 50 cal, ignition, bring the Glock, bring the gas, kill the hubs. Fargo I go on like wicked man, kill him up, fling a gal his cross, make me kick.
The great song called Rough Cut, you know.
Sorry, Lady Kaya. Lady Kaya, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Me what? I hold it past 0, I still look while now. 9, 5, 4. MC.
What is it for Rough Cut sound? War against spicy, I know. Fargo, line up on yourself, press a sample when you're ready. Don't forget, we vote in the rounds. So afterwards, we'll turn on the light and make it quick. So I can get off the stage and they can get back to this killing. On a Mickey, yo, listen. You see the next go round? You see when 5 minutes left in I run, on a walk up, you have to come hook up on a laptop. You hear that? So the shit can keep moving quicker and fast. You see it? Press a sample, make me hear. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first 30 minutes from Brooklyn, this is King Fargo. Your 30 minutes starts now.
I'm going to play my first song. Good morning, Brooklyn. Big up to all of my country people that are there. Big up to all who forward from Westmoreland, Hanover, Lucy, and Moby I'm born and grow. And them say Moby a country, but we they are foreign now. I mean, I represent King Fargo, so big up to all of my beautiful ladies that are there. Big up to all sound owners. Big up to all selectors. You understand? Me heard the boy play a while ago. Pussy a shaky. Suck your mama. You can't style my friend Ringo Starr. None of my friend them name never call Pam Butty yet. And your name Stinker Blood Class Senti. You got dead fuck up cross. Him play some Luke in him. I will teach him how we play in Brooklyn.
Tonight King Fargo's gonna kill you and walk away again with the crowd. In the main no sense you start your crying, cause tonight your sound will only go down.
I'm going to teach your blood clot tonight, boy.
King Fargo's killed some sound before.
You said that sound there no boss. You say you don't know about it. Let me tell you something.
King Fargo kill you in the morning. He's there.
on. The pussy come up here and play in first round. We do not see you look nervous on the blood clot stage. Let me show you how we play in Brooklyn, New York.
All Waterhouse people big themselves. All in New York, yes. Don't test.
The coach, turn it on. The coach does not drink them. I'm tell him something.
Now isn't it strange how them dippy sound and thing? Hey,
Bumbo clad on a pussy there.
Come test King Fargo, the dancehall king. Just while
turn it on. The pussy come up here talk about we are talked off for internet. We's not social media bad people. Yes, so we'll go up on the internet. And one thing we see when we go up on the internet, tell them how we see cross.
And our crew.
Killer sound, no. King Fargo.
Ruff God. Yes. You say your blood clot, man. Welcome to Brooklyn. Let me tell you.
The whole world talking about King Fargo sound. You're flying high now, sound.
Get a pussy there.
With a jump and sound.
Levers, fire blocks. You know bad. When me a blood clot, but I'm up here for run with God senti. When me get wanted, you suck your girl pussy. Tell him.
All massive. Oh, God.
I'm not gonna tell me about badness.
God knows. King Fargo is a murderous sound.
Bamba clock to the boy, man.
And no jumping sound can chew us down.
Levers, pussy. You come up here and tell me say my son can kill your son. Watch his blood clot in the morning, I know. Watch this in the morning, yeah. Watch this in the blood clot morning, yeah. All who come and work on.
You cannot find, oh gosh, a sound to kill.
Oh, them pussy there over there, so. Hey, boy, me, I'm a god palm me too, you know, boy.
King Fargo sound is a dancehall star.
Ruff cut, fire blocks, suck pussy and rolling. Let me tell you this.
Ruff cut, we not care where you come from. If you come from Senti or Centum, you're a dead man.
Whoa, yeah.
Levers, turn it on. Pussy, yes, so my son can't kill your son. Listen this blood clot.
King Fargo never run away. No, no, no. King Fargo, no.
Tell him.
No. King Fargo prophesy, say, oh yes, somewhere I go find him.
Levers, unruly, suck pussy fire blocks. At East 96, that's how you come from. Are you up here tell me about badness? Come back up here and tell me about badness and say I'm in a box, you know. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Tell him. Hey boy. I'm going to show you sitting in a blood clot morning.
A big soul. King Fargo tear off the roof from over the edge. King Fargo tear off the roof.
Levers. We don't listen to them something there. Big up the Ruff Cut crew over there, so. Big up to all like Brooklyn people them are there. Big up to my country people them are there. The boy fire blocks are informer. Every time he forward a New York, you hear him. Mama play the Skeleton on time sound. I sell out here, I try sell out Father Ruffy. I try and make people know say Ruffy sell ganja. Go suck your mama, you informer, tell him.
Kill them. King Fargo, I go kill them.
The pussy they love chat. Brooklyn, tell him.
What eyes don't see, heart don't leave.
Cross, you never there. Him say mix up bad on you. Teach them boy, you know man. Brooklyn with that dog.
Whoa, yeah, yeah.
Him
say mix up on you. But more tell him.
Say the massive they my run to hear King Fargo. Where's King Fargo?
Bumbo clad. Ruff got tonight.
Gotta see them a come. I King Fargo a conqueror. King Fargo rule now.
Turn it on. You forward up here and big up the man of the night. Shut up, happy earth song. Big up your bumbo clad self. But we are telling them pussy at this.
So if you run down King Fargo sound, you will never catch him. So if you run down King Fargo sound, you will never catch him. King Fargo is like an arrow, he will blow your sound away now. King Fargo,
listen, I'm a mix of my pussy. Ruff got that tonight.
How we kill that sound in at the dance. King Fargo rule. Him as a tool.
But the boy blocks. But the boy blocks.
Damn, look how we kill sound so hot. What is King Fargo in a area? King Fargo.
I've been guided.
All who come our work, run on the night, but buckler here. Watch them pussy and a bad life is not here. Not here.
We ready for them. King Fargo sound.
All who believe in yourself, all who come our work.
Killing a jump on a King Fargo enjoyment. Jump on your dead in at the class.
Turn it on. All who no bad mind push your right hand in a blood clot here. You notice anytime Ruff cut forward a foreign and you see them two select on them pussy the bad mind. Tell them, sir.
And sound, I got there.
Tell them, sir.
King Fargo, you kill up a drop on sound.
Me tell a black for informer now.
The dance a informer. Selector and the boss a informer. Cause them a fight against me sound and a murmur.
I roll off them out, you know.
Turn it on.
But guess I don't like murder.
All who can't defend themselves, push a gun on in a ear. Brooklyn with it, no. Brooklyn with it, tell them.
I just murder, murder King Fargo charge. That's right. Say we no see no sound boy if it takes we kill them all when we rise the crowd. Bust it on them one chef. I just murder.
Turn it on. All four we get to play. Pick up yourself. Always there you support me. Lady Kaya, love you. Big up yourself. Irish Red, big up. The pussy them there Brooklyn I talk about them bad. All you forward at Brooklyn and a big up 90s, 50s, 40s, Brownsville, Crown Heights, Utica, Flatbush, pussy when I'm near Brooklyn. Let me tell you.
King Fargo.
Let me tell you this.
And I rush them like a pit bull. Mix with a tip, chop them like a rifle. Mix with a shot tip, some sound boy. Love the watch it, chatty like a peeping time mix. With a motor massive.
Turn it on. Cross. The pussy come up here and say select a bad on you. Bumba blood clot. Who them? Who them? Who them?
Pass it up on the left hand side.
Turn it on. Or you come from country and not play no ganja man tune. All who smoke high grade, gun on in our ear.
Body sir, man, hustling.
Yeah, this now sound boy.
Ruff God. You say you bother yard, but you no bother blood clot broad. Why?
For due to King Fargo selection. Yeah. Original homeboy.
How that pussy they call fire blocks? We don't know him. How him?
And then me can take the blum ratatata blum blum.
Forget this mess. Find themselves.
The pussy say we are done 25 years and we no boss. Listen this. Listen this blood clot.
Tell them King Fargo you've been through hills and valleys.
Labyrinth. Every man was straight push a right hand in our ear. The man them a straight gun on in our ear.
Alright, yeah. So me go so show me uno ano.
Turn it on. Turn it on. That song I want me to go play. That blood clot song I want me to go play.
The pussy them coming on my place. In a Brooklyn. I tell me same bad. Fire blocks. You no bother Sentia, you bother blood clot Brooklyn. So you're one of them boy that will come a foreigner try trick people. Go suck your mama badness to fit your mama. Tell us something.
Why? Them get themselves into trouble.
When are they at Brooklyn, New York?
No sound boy can't screech across no barn and cooking Fargo sound. No. I made my decision.
Let me tell her this tonight. Tonight. Tonight.
Ramping our skin, I know we ragamuffin. We clean for sound boy.
Turn it on. Oh no, sister, pussy them a idiot. Oh no, not see them a idiot. You not see them a idiot.
Come and say sound no have sense. I be selected when they be a hit it. Big up Fargo.
Brooklyn, who there tonight? Who there?
Kill some song.
Who there?
So here I am, King Fargo playing with some jumping sounds again.
Turn it on, class. The pussy them come a Brooklyn 2 times and come and talk about them bad. Let me tell you something, pussy.
Listen. Tonight in the clash, I got a feeling deep down in my soul, King Fargo can
no, make sense.
It's a bad man's song.
Turn it on. Coach, the boy forward in here talk about Fargo restaurant. You know, say boy wanga gun. Let me tell him something across. Tell him.
King Fargo kill Ruff Cut tonight.
Tell him. Who don't listen to this blood clot? Listen.
Ruff Cut you is a dead sound. Don't play in New York no more. Ruff Cut you is a dead sound. Don't play in New York no more. You might tell him now.
Levers. The boy come in here and talk about say him doing research. Him listen every clash. And Fargo was a no defending champion for that clash. Pussy, you know, see you not do your research right. You know, see a fuck ready a Brooklyn attack. When you do your research, do your blood clot research good. Why?
I'm a can't cool. Wash up them boy to death. I'm gonna
see you pussy, I'm gonna tell you this.
You know what?
Tell you.
Fargo a murderer. Tell me where you no require.
Why? Fargo.
Levels. But the boy fire blocks. One last shot in your face.
The boy go like him a done, I mean no say him a fool. Kill the boy and make him die. Let him know this is our true confession. You can read the story, read it in the magazine.
Turn it on. Me telling you, boy, an informer. You see, bag of custom went forward and play. You know, see, pussy I work with immigration. Me tell him no, man.
Boy, play what you play.
Got me blood clot. Tell him pussy that. Tell him, son.
Boy, you better say what you're saying. That's why this him say what you're saying and do what you're doing. In Fargo sound have something sound boy.
If that select on a bad like blood clot you. If that select on a bad like you.
Midnight German. And nobody represent
them say award them one Irish and award them blood clot one.
Run the place. They both say them start war and the police them want call.
Turn it on.
You messing a war.
The boy come in here and talk to me selector tough.
Focus.
Hey boy, you can this ring a star. Who you?
Oh, gas them up and we gon' bust the cylinder.
King Fargo.
Blocks. Blocks from me and look a boy a blood clot grow. You want to know we use the board them do?
At the age of 16, busting my
Fargo boss it live now. And no sound at all, King Fargo now.
You see the blood clot sound in the Fargo? Let me tell you.
King Fargo boss the rifle make me shot them go some.
Hey, Jamie Ruben. They want
Hey boy, you're going a beautiful casket. Listen it.
Him and a buffalo, soldier man a Rambo. Him and a real sound killer like Django. And just the murder rose, nature make return so. Oh yes, King Fargo the murder jump and so. Tell the man a buffalo, soldier man a Rambo.
Sean, I don't want to stand up and fool you on. I want to work with me, work the bass. When I say lever, I want to balance the bass, because I don't want to trouble it up here, so. Yeah, man. Play a song with professionalism. We can't play like them. We're not them. We fucking different. And we're in Brooklyn, New York. Every God bless when they push a right hand in our ear. If you believe in the Almighty, go on in our ear.
The King Fargo never stand up in the ways of sinners. I sit up in the seat of the scornful, but in the light is in
don't mix it up.
We meditate on the night and day. I know we never stand.
Blacks members say I rob money from one of the poor son owner them. And come to Brooklyn and talk to it up. Hey boy, blacks, let me tell us something. Let me tell us something.
Wicked happy runway.
Chang. Lord of mercy.
All who believe in our Almighty, push your right hand in our ear, and look on the wall away.
Sure. I want to be a shepherd. Why? Walk through this land.
Turn it on. Turn it on. Cross, you never there earlier. The pussy saying bitch bad on you. How? When? Where? None of them pussy they not bad. So you can't forward a Brooklyn and bad with you. Why?
How them come and tell me say them bad and them wicked. Me check it out and them are some big guns super.
Levels! But the boy fire blocks!
Uno them ta worry, uno cell phone, uno them pan back to fail.
Get right and pushing face the
Levels! Hey boy blocks! Remember your name Stinker Road, the call pan bottom, I'm tell her this.
Well them let you know them a deal with first. Before them tell me how much them blood thirst. And everything who them a speak with first. If them this King Fargo, all of them face the earth.
Turn it on! Pussy! Ruff cut a 6-year-old. You hear what you said earlier? King Fargo a 25-year-old. Put some respect for our blood clot name. When you address a son, you address it with manners and respect. You know the reason why me I tell her that body boy. You want to know why? You want to know why?
Larger blacks drumming on the saddles. King Fargo's like a puzzle with the figure and a hard nut fit crack.
King Fargo.
Turn it on. Every man in our knows no girl now no secret for your face. Go on in our ear.
Alright, that one your name chant. Burn down Sodom and Gomorrah. Them don't know the minute.
No family.
Levers. The pussy come in here and talk tough. Bamba blood clot.
Your little chatty, tall, it full of patience. She don't need
Levers. The boy attack to Ringo man. He attack to Ringo man. Tell him.
But badness them does attack. Them not do it. When we are bad, them
When the King Fargo through this one day of rain, you're bound to spread with him. Oh Lord, we said that sound boy killing a murder. Murder style.
All who come around, gun on in our ear. Every gun on in our ear.
Send them come. Run up in a days. Hey, should I even listen? Should I even try? Start it.
Murder style.
All who is the King Fargo over the years. Tell Ruff got some music.
King Fargo and murder. Some jump and leave.
Don't be setting up.
We jump some presidential style. And driving everybody wild. Well, it's no wonder.
Cross, turn it on. This is King Fargo sound. This is Venom sound. You hear how the sound a play sweet? Turn your back, make your people them here walk one.
We are the champion. King Fargo no dirt jump.
King Fargo are the sound playing so when we on so here we go sweet on a melody.
Fargo sound is ever ready. Ever ready. Kill somebody. Oh yes. A sound boy is dying and this dance. Alright.
Levers. Sean, a professionalism we are dealing with, you know. When I say work the bass, yeah man, make your sound play.
the right way. We don't want to play like a rough cut upon a blood clot stage of play. You understand? All who there when you see you believe in yourself, put your right hand in a bumbo clot here. Me, and you were believing in my blood clot self. And music make me there foreign. I'm still away of a blood clot flag. All who believe in yourself, me say push your gun on in our ear. What?
Well, King Fargo playing for you tonight.
I'm telling you.
Look at the trees, how the leaves are blowing away in the sky. Listen to the birds, how they're singing away their time. Look at the grass.
The boy them say them bad yard. You know bad a blood clot, bro. They see the sound and name King Fargo. Let me tell you no.
Yeah. King Fargo, the reggae ambassador. Hey. King Fargo sound.
Rough cut. You gonna remember the blood clot in here.
Member. Remember King Fargo.
Cross. The pussy them forward at New York 2 times. And say them win 2 clash. Well, you Mr. Batty Boy. A Brooklyn, New York, you there. And we no like Batty Boy. We kill blood clot Batty Boy. So you see tonight, you have a blood clot dead. You have a blood clot dead. They want to know why. Tell them why.
Lord knows, Mr. Fargo. Oh yeah.
Big up the Brooklyn people, them.
I beg you do good, say do good soon, why? Say King Fargo are the #1. Say Mr. Fargo are the champion. Yeah. I beg you do.
Tonight,
say do good.
We are gonna take them pussy back to slavery days.
Say King Fargo are the
Brooklyn, we not shoot them. You want to know what we are do to the pussy them?
For the sun, we are gonna hang them and make them know so we serious. King Fargo, I go destroy them and make them know that my sound is dangerous. War chef, I go hang them.
Rough cut.
And make them know.
When you forward up here earlier, no confuse the fuck. We can't tell them about on the sound.
Original King Fargo, see
we can't tell them about on the sound.
No.
Cross. Time limited. One heap of song in the blood clot crate.
Tell him don't pass the line.
Pussy at Brooklyn there.
This murder test.
When you take the plane and forward there.
Tell him don't pass the line. Kill enemies. King Fargo borderline. It's no country, them try. Kill enemies. It will be murder time. Hear me no blast tonight.
Lovers. Look how much beautiful ladies in our clash. And the pussy over here, pre-blood clot Ringo Star. Lady Kaya, big up yourself. Always come out looking good. Irish Red, big up yourself. Always forward out and support Soul Clash. Look all upon a beautiful lady right there, so kiss her for me. Look on this so. Look over there so. Come much woman in here. Play the one there for the girls. And the ladies are gonna kill you.
King Fargo, I go down the place. They're gonna kick up your face. We're gonna run the place. Yeah.
Pussy, we're gonna send her back on the train at blood clot airport. You wanna know why me I tell her that? Let me tell her know why.
Get on the board, my brother. King Fargo sound is playing.
Looking at dance if I see coach with him blood clot cup with him gun finger in her ear.
The train to Zion is coming. I don't want no one to miss it. King Fargo sound is playing. I know the sound can test it.
Cross.
Here
what go on. One heap of song me have in the song. No shoot. No wait. Shoot. One heap of song in the song. Shoot them. Shoot blood clot them.
Every sound that there eyes on you, King Fargo.
Hey, King Fargo, I go.
Batty boy, fire block. Ruff gun, mama, tell us something. Turn it on. Turn it on. When me play that song, I have to acknowledge Lady Kaya. You see that song, yeah? And if me I go use and bust out the pussy that's called cross. Cross! Cross! Tell a pussy of this! Tell him this! Tell him!
Chris Cross, Ringo Starr, Warship, rated as the best. Waterhouse and New York, becomes dark, boy life dark. It's like that, you know? Yeah, man.
Kaya, you more shoot the pussy them, Kaya! Tell him, sir!
Advice me, brethren. Cause sound clash killing and a fun thing. King Fargo,
Ringo Starr, Warship!
The boy call Warship near! Listen to this!
Say guns out and turn on and people life gone. Man, I kill them and
the boy come and talk about me mother. You see your blood clot mother.
New York start a house. Say you dead your mother ball. Fargo name you call loose argument. Pete and long story Paul. See me gun and pose up like our hall.
Where's the anthem time?
King Fargo. I really don't feel like talking to no sound. Right across the border, what's the sound for dead enough?
Oh yeah!
Yo, how are? Another to say no. Sound for dead enough. How would them boy, man?
Unruly, you're still bad like the selector. Go suck your mama.
How would them Fargo? No sound, don't bother we. No sound could never threaten we. No sound, don't bother we. But them
Ruff got tonight.
Well, tell them dead. You try to disagree.
All who got dance a long time. Push your right hand in our ear.
It's a good old days. King Fargo. Oh yeah.
Bad Indian. When we are kill people on road, them pussy they are hiding on them mama. Buckler, tell him something, sir.
See, remember the days when people on the east side could go out on the west side and live in peace.
Cross. You never there when him playing first round. The pussy send unruly on stage. Coward, the fuck. A while ago when he forward off his stage, up here think no blood clot like in a beard. Come up here in a thinking jacket. And I can't tell me same body. Kevin Evil them pussy then about tell him.
Alright then. You alongside Peter. Here come the team.
Oh yeah, play a ganja man song. And now big up the ganja people them there. All who smoke high grade. Tell him.
Tell them go burn down the herbs. Can't tell King Fargo.
No mix it.
Cassava.
No mix it.
Them fly like a bird. We see them a run like bolt and a sack.
Kaya. The pussy same search for Google, YouTube, SoundCloud. And in a ear about King Fargo. You don't see my search a wrong place. But me tell him something. Tell him.
Yes. King Fargo comfy. Lock down the city. Without no pity. Sound of the hey, them dead some fun. Sound gone underground. Hey, what?
Pussy a true that sound you bad. That's why you're bad boy.
Because them a run up them out. Them a go dead off. King Fargo sound chop all them head off.
I talk about we are going to fight for talkaphone. You idiot. Right. One team, one dream.
Well, if them can't believe. Man, I say King Fargo, you know. Them sight I am the peace in them knees.
We gon' make boy now.
Right,
I know them up now.
Cross, we not play with them enough.
King Fargo, we don't play.
The pussy them come up for them first round and talk tough.
I live in Twitter.
Them say we can't win and them swear upon God. We are going to prove them wrong.
Give me now. God is my weakness. There's King Fargo, I go feeling.
Right. Ruff cut me here to play some Lucy. But Buckler, listen to Lucy Deep sing. Listen.
Ooh, yeah. King Fargo play.
Him come up here ball upon God. God can't save you tonight. Why?
Just imagine living in our world.
Buckler.
King Fargo. Yeah.
Hey boy, fire block.
Worship him, I travel through the valley of the shadow. Always I've got this. Worship Francie King.
You play one song and say Fargo can't play. You better can't play that one here.
King Fargo.
London with Black Cloud on. Brooklyn, New York. Tell a pussy that.
King Fargo from round the way. Big up Hazadas.
Hey boy, blacks are unruly. Blacks are unruly.
Take it easy, some guy. Take it easy.
You come up here and grin off your teeth like a panther, your father.
So remember,
tell him.
Yes, that when you're trying to challenge King Fargo, make sure you're serious.
Cause that can be
Last one. Remember your promise, say you'll make a play to a punchline.
Serious?
I wouldn't do then give your money over there, sorry, something. I drop me a mate, man. Now look for me, so tell the pussy them now.
Well, son boy, make me tell you this straight. King Fargo, I go kill you.
I that on yourself for Fargo then. Me not for bad ask. Alright, lights. Turn on the lights. We're gonna make this quick. Quick. You know what? Fuck the lights. I can see what I need to see. Me have 4 eye. Me can see. Okay. First round. If you think Ruff Cut take the first round, put one under the ear, make me see it. Keep them up. Take them down. If you think Fargo take the first round, put up one under the ear, make me see it. Fargo take the first round by our edge. Oh, now you want to turn on light. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget. The date is January the 18th. Place to be is right on you, so think on no long talking. Big up Puma. Silver Crown versus King Ramsey versus Civic Sound. That is right here, January the 18th. I may have one more commercial for big up. After the second round, I'm going to charge for these commercial breaks. Working hours. Fuck doing no. All right. Don't forget, April the 5th, you have a thing called Premier League Sound Clash. Place to be is the Compound. That is Ruff Cut versus Yarid. Big dance. There's some $40 early bird tickets here in the dance. Just link up. You don't know FT have them. All right. Now let's make this fast. Second round is 20 minutes. Ruff Cut, press a sample, make me hear. All right. So here what now. The 2 hours I'm going to use this talkaphone. This one is mine. All right? So Ruff Cut. Your 20 minutes starts now.
This week on stage.
This edition of On Stage comes to you from Culture Palace, Brooklyn, New York, at a sound clash called Grung, where Ruff Cut, the Crocodile Sound, clash against King Fargo. King Fargo. This is the same King Fargo with selector War Chef, known not only for his cooking skills, but also a big informer that carry news on Speedy of Stereo 5, causing Speedy's wife. After 25 years in the sound clash business, King Fargo is a big iron balloon with nothing to show and does not have far to go. For tonight, Ruff Cut will done them career and put them, you guessed it, in retirement.
Yo. Let me get some more volume on the talkaphone there. No, I'm not listen to that. Me not listen to that. No, me not listen to you. You a boo man. Me and my boo over this. Hi, Browning. Listen me now. I went there. Fuck face. Yam pussy. Come up here and talk about 50s, 40s, 90s pussy. Remember, I can't take out your live. You don't know nothing about 90s. Suck your mama. Why you come up here and talk about 90s? You know nothing about 90s. Pussy hole. You come up here and chat off your mouth. Hold on. He play one little John look well though. Boy! Member! You know what you fight for? Oh, if you win a good round. Because you know how win them around, you know. And then you go see Ringo Starr run out. All who want me kill that, say kill it. Push him and me kill it, little John now. Watch out.
We are saying Fargo in the kitchen from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
I mean, I rap with
every day will do. And
don't
if you
for the Ruff is on now.
Ruff Cut, we gonna slew you. Cause when you see Ruff Cut, you know.
Watch out, me go win some fans zone.
I'll flash up Ruffy. I'll flash up Barry. I'll flash up Unruly OJ. Fire Blocks.
I don't want to kick you, my friend. I don't want to kick you.
Fargo, are you again? It's time for kill you. Fargo, you are got dead again.
All of us be killed. Gone up in ya. Gone up in ya.
Run out of the dance hall.
Brooklyn.
Fargo. We go and kill Fargo in the dance. We go and kill Fargo in the dance. We put gunshot pan him, we put gunshot pan.
Pussy a una ramp with counteraction again.
And so stick to the kitchen. Why you have cut sound? Why Fargo you dead?
No pussy deal.
Fargo just play what you playing and cook what you're cooking. Cause Ruff Cut sound I go kill it tonight, Fargo. So pack up your sound and live out of the
level. All who want King Fargo, they gun on in the ear. King Fargo, me teach you how you play low shit pussy. Engineer, take out the bass. King Fargo.
You come conquer them.
Watch out.
Hey, Ruff Cut give them a cedar boot casket. Another sound boy kick the bucket. Come and dance all like one like them.
King Fargo, you can't kill a son of pussy.
Rastafari lives.
Level. They'll not tell me more badness. You can't bad me up. Suck your mama.
I listen to the last of the first.
To the graveyard you go. Ruff Cut, kill them right now. That's the
Mama, level. Take out the bass. No chat off your mouth. You can't bad me up. Remember, you know, at the 9-year-old little girl you fuck for senior school, you know. Pussy and you jump on boat, come up here, you know. And I chat like you're a bad man. Batty boy!
We don't play with people, read them up.
Tell them it's the Ruff Cut.
Batty boy!
We have the tough cut.
Deal!
Alright then. Hey,
Ruff Cut, that one your name. Now go walk your walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption,
turn up in again!
Take it a 1, 2. Ain't no skip.
But see a bad man son you play with. Turn up in ya.
Flip it. I said ready or not. Said here I come. And you can't hide. Eat that sour Ruff Cut is gonna kill.
Level. Deal. You can't kill this. And you no better than me. All who want me kill King Fargo, gun on in the ear.
All that chatting about Buckler, I want to some pussy.
Gun on in the ear. Brooklyn. Fargo.
Murder song. Want to the some boy. Barry. Amazing grace, shot fly too fast. Sound them a chase. Shoot up them days. We case them in case. Them try to escape. Cause none shall escape.
Take out the bass.
Ruff Cut.
You say you're 25, London. I'm mere 6-year-old. And you're now blood clot gonna wear pussy wall this and them walk.
Them shoulda know. It's a king of fire. Representing the good over here.
That's them!
Tell them this. How long them think them and go last and with them evil sound and them corrupted.
Turn up again!
Yes.
Yeah, but that broad sound boy soft like cardboard. Loud evil.
All bad people run the gun on them. They a suck your mama, hear ya.
Yo,
yeah,
son. Hey, yo, the gun be bookam. Clap it again, bookam. Bookam. Whole place bookam. Burn them like stove where you cook on. Dead in the street, them people and look on.
Remember Brooklyn with them. The pussy that can't kill, we roll it down.
Ruff Cut sound.
Brooklyn, what the gun on them? What the gun on them? Fargo!
First time I play you sound boy, you screaming out for murder.
Turn up again!
All night.
Representing the one sentence, you know. Yo, Barry, Ruff.
Roll the level. Me no see no hand, I saw go up yet, you know. Watch out, me I go make them go up. All bad people, gun up.
Make me know. Bad man, no body boy. Son of boy can't carry no baby. Walk with the money, can't cock it. None of who no can't send no pussy come
Fargo, me know we are plan. But you see, tonight, let me tell you this, blood clot.
Boy, I figure dead like that now. Gunshot rough cut give them out. Pussy them are dead like that. Sound boy, your kingdom is fallen. Judgment, dibby sound boy. Your kingdom is fallen.
Level.
Sing again, Lucifer.
Level. My Cause me I listen what you say no. This pussy no bad. Remember King Fargo put them in wash and come and tell me about badness. All who want me lock off King Fargo in here, put your gun on in here.
Murder, I said for murder, so I said, where you wonder?
I don't see no invent no rhythm. Here rhythm boy. Here bad sound play a rhythm.
Where you wanna come start it? Sorry for a sound boy, sorry for them. Gunshot for your son, we are go murder them. Sorry for a sound.
Roll and shoot the pussy them. All who want me kill you, watch out.
Yeah, rough cut.
Listen, you play a bad ready.
Well, that rough cut murder, you know, hide and tag, roll out to the shop. 15, 16, I sell out. Little chicken.
So rough, you don't know, Mr. Barry and the whole family said.
Oh, your mother in a pussy hole?
One today.
Call your mother and tell him. Turn up.
It's gonna be slow singing, flowers bringing, tomorrow fly like pigeon in the evening.
Ball.
Rough cut. One to some so.
Fargo, one I go do in the morning.
Mama, hey mama.
One I go do pussy wall.
Yo, tell them it's the rough car, yeah.
Oi!
It's the rough
Oh,
car.
that's enough. You see Fargo, half the pussy there.
Hey, watch out. So. When them a go do when them get
Level rolling. Take out the blood clot base. Boy, I hear me come on New York, come bust with him. I hear in a business 25 years and I bust with him. Listen, you play the bad with him again.
4th generation. Beat them like broadboard. So like them go shot in the head. Loud evil. Rough cut. Tell them 50 caliber. And that rough cut a fire. Shut out your eyeball spire. From you, this real bad man. You are good.
One more doing again.
Your fire blocks your unruly OJ. You're rough cut. Loud evil, she out in the broad eagle. You know me, sir.
Cancer, yeah, watch him. All right.
Watch ya. Make a man walk with the A1 to the on the boy them. Them take off like Hussein from the blocks. Yeah, man, I run like us a clay man a strap.
Roll him, I want to shoot the pussy again.
Bad man a pound them down. Man a
level. Boy, don't tell me about badness. How we kick off me 19 on your face. Oh, pussy. Watch ya.
Tell them we on it pound way. Jump on sound and the beat and back on pound flay. We on it pound way. So
pussy, you play a back song already, now put you again.
You know you are in a Miami. Rough cut sound. Rough is the cut of some sound. What to fuck up and corrupt. Now the mercy.
Oh, you bad mind. You bad mind.
All of us on the sound get bad, but you no better than rough cut. Me no care what they wanna have to the New York gang who no walk forward.
But you want to shoot him again?
And the fear. In the boulevard we no kill. Rough cut over and rough.
Back them boy.
Pennsylvania, Merrick. What is this?
Watch ya.
Who come to crash and we go see them can't taste. Who fi crash and New York kind up and made a race. Sound them anger behind them whole family left. Don't play and make them wiggle up like him say. Want them out.
Level, take out the bass. All who never pollute your slip with coke, put up your gun on in the ear. All real ganja man, put up your gun on in the ear.
Pop them on. Lord of mercy.
Level.
We are
busting this one, man. Play a ganja, man, sir.
Rough cut, so we never lose, don't fight. Tell us, see, I will tell them again, hey. In front of station, the ganja pipe a bun. The smoke from the chalice make the Babylon eye run. Them get
one thing with big 45 and then the 16, you know the word, hey. I don't go to talking in the air.
Deal!
Dropping bombs in the post.
Deal!
You know what I'm doing? Kill sound, got you. Big gun man rise, boy, no make no noise. This all rough cut to the get the shot.
War red never mash up and can dead. From them violent.
And the merciless ones in here.
Dog dead. Make them no country and rock them, maga. We lay out with mercy, we no get it back yet. You this rough cut sound.
So me take a break off a glass scene. You feel like you want to violate me. Hey boy, I go and kick you till you're sick in your breast layer.
Loudy for broady, Bumbuckler do some song, boy.
All who want sound that, turn up.
Yo, rough cut, tell them say, you no double to your name, you have a virgin chigga finger. Woo! Make bullet fly to you, family over your camp.
Roll it, take out the bass. Pussy wall, make me teach you big up. Bumbuckler, Brooklyn, watch out.
Okay, rough cut in New York City. Lot of mercy. We got man them there from Brooklyn.
Watch out.
Block me say. Follow me now. Rough gun. Touchdown, the rough cut and touchdown. Brooklyn massive, them I say, welcome.
Tell them and touchdown, rough cut just touchdown.
Listen here, boy.
The bad sound from St. Best up on the ground.
Big up round a Brooklyn, round a Parkside. Them you disrespect them, bust out your head side.
Any boy ever violate Canarsie Avenue, you not fi ask Christ the pussy a fi get slow.
Big up round a Rogers and Church Avenue. Gun them no all, everything brand new.
Yo, Brooklyn massive, I am talking to you. If you forward from the Bronx or over Queenstown,
40s and 50s, around the 90s. Boy, you forget your chat out the business.
Brooklyn man, we bust you with a lead a middle day. Left them and bleed out at Eastern Parkway.
Walla.
Rough cut sound, the crocodile sound shining to that. I'll send Elizabeth.
You say tonight.
No rough here.
Tonight.
One shot, one kill. Take no punch, so much to feed. When a sound boy dies, it's rough. God killed them, always killing sound.
What you say?
Is the roughest sound around.
Alright, cancer. Liquor blue. I'm gonna make him a pit up in your ears, man. Bumbuckler. Big up yourself. And you say if you're not around this, then I'll make you a bumbuckler. Make I kick them again.
Let me light up the chalice.
Every ganja, man.
We tell King Fargo.
Boss it.
Tell him, say, war on a restaurant thing, war chef pose like him in a kitchen. Coulda what do him a tell man about fries and chicken, rough cut rice Gatlin, tear off nose and chin. Fi kill him and no sin. Undung the whole fucking kitchen. On the war Grung rough cut bring bombs and guns. Fargo bring teeth and tongue. From the top chef left, the restaurant pop down. Better them send look.
Listen.
We look up blue, them still a keep link. Crisscross, mix up, never know everything. Mix and feel look up blue and go a Fargo, go mix drinks. Pussy them rank and stink. From your clash rough cut Fargo, face your death. When you play Jesus Christ from Nazareth, none about.
Shoot him again!
Slow down, let me make it run like
I may tell Chris Cross of our Miss Blood Class Silly Bash went to a day.
The Grung. Y'all start it.
Brooklyn!
Murder the pussy.
Oh, you feel like kitchen a come, but you there don't succumb. You're this rough cut and now your days are go down the bill. Kitchen a come, but you there don't succumb. You're this rough cut, make a man.
Brooklyn!
Rough cut about them gun Fargo, better step back. We
clear do them. Feel like a laughing or talking, though, gunshot.
Bamba Walla, Brooklyn, me never tell you this pussy.
That's how they did people.
Niggle day, you walk with your gun. Mark 90 rifle, boy, see them run. Head back, shot out, and face them fall down.
Done up again!
The ball ground, rough cut sound. Niggle day, you walk with your gun.
Oh, yeah, custom, me say me a play custom, and you play custom. Custom again!
Tell them to win a play. Yeah, fire blocks. Cut out a few locks. But guess what?
People belly run, belly run.
Listen.
When Fargo cooking done. Belly run. When Fargo cooking done.
Rascal now, Fargo name toilet stain. People belly run like runaway train. No ginger energy to them.
King Fargo dead.
Them nine
them go lie the fish and them bread. King Fargo come a war and dead. Ruff cut use dub and bust off them head. Fargo come a war and dead.
It walk past that and then I'm a
King Fargo.
Who's gonna broke bone?
Well, the boy can't kick up the son of copper. So come on the Fargo, can use a paper soldier. Let's go play.
Push the wall and nothing I drop me come off a joke. I laugh, let me tell you.
Yeah. It's the rough cut, and the tough cut,
Brooklyn,
and the rough cut. Anyway,
dead father.
I'm a glad, I'm not killing mission. Me say what is my purpose? They see them son boy I burn up. Yum again, I'm not killing mission. Me say what is my purpose? They see they use them as step up. And a mission. Me say what?
For sure you not have a palm plane. You say me take chain run van Jamaica, idiot. Chain run van Jamaica, you know say you done. But me boss song in on this blood clot again.
Them boy right now. Mr. Vegas, time to kill a sound.
Listen combination.
You know it go.
Who not ready?
Say the word. We tell them.
Chilla la 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 bum bum chilla.
Kill them fast.
Rough cut a killer jump and through day. La 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 bum bum chilla.
Bang 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 bang.
Boy just steady.
Tonight.
Competition a big one car we first.
What's the wall where your mother name? Call your mother, watch out.
No one them off, polish off, on them pass, that. When them call it up on them path, chat them all like them pass. Oh, you be the yo, smarty mama go ball later, don't be make a no theater, killing in a be nature. Right from the police theater, top of the brain scraper. I'm the easy, shut it up.
What's that?
When they push it down, your mama ball later, don't be make a no.
Level, take out the bass. Remember me no forward a bias dance. Pussy wall you play one
this is Guinea Pepper representing Rough Cut Sound. And Rough Cut Sound say come back say all about cat. Some guys. Hey, may I tell you, War Grung, Culture Palace. You don't know what going. The people them a talk about King Fargo, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Them a talk about King Fargo,
Kill the blood class song where you play, look one.
DJ Deal. Them a same left untouchable trim, never get no touch around there. And got King Fargo where I get be a touch up.
Watch out!
Me tell you where them a step on Instagram and TikTok. Them a same involved in a Diddy party.
Listen!
Him touch the rum. DJ Deal touched up the rum.
All who now sell out a friend, turn up. You sell out and touch up the pussy.
DJ Deal jaggle King Fargo balls and make balls go soon. The balls are choke Deal.
Go on again. Go on again. King Fargo fans, go again. Oh.
Time. And time. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Rough Cut second round. Fargo, press a sample, make me hear. Because we're not making this take too long. Press a sample. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, for the second round, King Fargo, your 20 minutes starts now.
Good morning again, Brooklyn. I know God straight. Satan go with the other balls argument because we now go. In the morning, no. All who believe in a Father God push a right hand in our ear, some of me see it. A while ago the boy come off a stage up here, think of garlic. He up there man where you go, now go save you in the morning. I'm going to tell you something.
Yeah, myself, you know, say I crew represent for the body sound, and we talk about King Fargo sound, him no Kish Cross, him no Ringo Star, him no Dale, him no Jermaine, him no DJ Flames.
You talk about New York,
like a
New York artists.
New York.
All who love God, push your right hand in our ear.
This morning, one bag of chanting, firm and planted.
What? Who don't love God? Over your soul, who don't love God? All who love God, right hand in our ear. Right hand up there.
What them to worry about? Many things them can't do without anything them want. Jaja make it start out King Fargo. Happy work, sun a shine till the place dark out.
Bad song. Lovers. All who believe in yourself, push your right hand in the air and wave it. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it on. Pussy. You say me can't body up. When you know about me, you see blood clot tonight a shadow earth strong bash. Let me tell you what go on in here.
Cranium. Them see the link.
You are your son pussy selector boy. Let me tell you no less.
Them go make a wrong move. Why chef go pop off? But anyway, King Fargo will make history. So them no listen when some pussy boy a try this.
Levers, take out the bass. DJ Shadow. Forward. But showing no creativity in a blood clot man in a pussy. Them boy ain't no respect for Brooklyn. Promoter book enough for forward and dance. Pussy. Number one hotel room, two not sleeping. Suck your mama. You bad? And this a man a earth strong blood clot clash. All who rate DJ Shadow must have blank for DJ Shadow. Pussy who don't rate Shadow. Shadow. I respect we respect you. Listen to this blood clot.
Represent, you know. King Fargo sound, yeah. Yo Chris Cross, yo Ringo Star, yo Dale. Yo Jermaine, yo DJ Flames. Yo War Chef, you know what thing go here. Yo New York, yo Waterhouse.
Listen!
Yo Dado, yo Mason.
Listen! Listen!
Big
Shadow!
Shifa.
Happy Earth strong, brother!
Listen this blood clot. Anything go that.
New York City!
Yo King Fargo say, New York City, salute! Happy birthday to a real Jenna. DJ Shadow had a real Jenna. Me tell them him a real Jenna.
Back the boy,
real killer. Hey, scotch it.
Play about my song, dog.
Amber.
Play about my
one you know, done you know. Fourth generation. Represent them King Fargo sound, yeah.
And we get
yo Chris Cross, yo Ringo Star, yo Dale. Yo Jermaine, yo DJ Flames. Yo War Chef, you know what thing go here.
Bad song cut, bad song.
Yo New York, yo Waterhouse. Yo Dado, yo Mason.
Hey boy, if you come back up, you can talk about my mother. I make she lay away to your songs as you put. I'm boxed on a blood clot. Suck out the mama. My mother a bad blood clot, girl.
Yo King Fargo say, New York City, salute. Happy birthday to a real Jenna. DJ Shadow had a real Jenna. Me tell them him a real Jenna.
You know the reason boy, the boy come up here talk about Fargo and cooking this and cooking that.
Make it gun beat like
afraid I hold away around the sun. Ringo Star the pussy in a man. Tell him.
Who know better afraid of me dog? Bang of them ready and a wait on a call. Two tint of oxy and beer to metal. Clip them full but no waste none at all.
Lovers, blocks, you know bad. Stop trick blood clot New York no dog. Just play like a regular selector. No come back up here with no badness pussy. Tell him.
King Fargo sound them. We kill anybody. I mean I see your King Fargo sound, the body sound. I mean I say no jump on, they say no keep on no jump on, no Chris Cross. Yo, Joe, if you no rate King Fargo, them no rate you. So you can go suck your mama straight up. That be killing sound, you not play around, ready fi kill anybody, and that's how we stay, bro. King Fargo big bad and brave too, so you can.
The pussy come up here, hype up himself and say bad.
Pop a rifle with the Draco.
Hey boy!
I aim to gunshot in a face.
Hey boy!
I know I wish more.
Hey boy!
But you have to say no.
After tonight tonight you know no walk for Ruff Cut Sound.
King Fargo, tell some jump and we a chat for with him. Anytime we buck you up a shot in your face. King Fargo Sound no do chatting and no trace. A real bad sound we drop bomb in your place. Waterhouse go to New York, go to Spain. Sound boy my rough like go drop on the plane. King Fargo Sound from a clash we no play. Select 40 and bust one in the year. Any sound we try fi test King Fargo Sound.
Ringo, the pussy come up here and say we are gonna fight for the talk of phone. All along King Fargo has said teamwork make the blood clot dream work. He come up here play Lucia talk about God. Pussy you could have called upon Jesus and in 12 disciples.
Hey, jump and come out and face your judgment now. Cough and you see King Fargo Sound. You know a murder sitting. King Fargo Sound, strapped with a 9 and Glock. So son boy don't fuck with the thing. Cause King Fargo they made wild and bad. Inna your face we fling 5 long shot. We kill son, we never tell lie.
The pussy say Fargo not have no restaurant money.
Them we drink any.
That's why we are flop. Number one, you get tricked.
Hey, Chris Cass, Ringo Dale, Jeremy and DJ Flames.
Yes, so we know the blood clot money. Listen this.
You know the badness go. King Fargo Sound, left a sound boy hurting. Yeah, we kill any sound cause we know no mercy. Extension clip it a carry about 30. King Fargo, ready for left play.
20 minutes. Look more. Hey boy, you come up here talk about say, yeah, your browning stand up over there so. And I want light skin brother I see you turn up with. Go suck your mama. Who you? Who blood clot you? All who there when you say Ruff Cut for blood clot dead, but a load blank over your head. What we kill the pussy them?
We got King Fargo Sound. I want playing at the game. King Fargo. I want playing at the game.
Oh yeah.
King Fargo. Goof them, cuff them, boof puff them. Hang shoot up like a oxygen. Mount shoe bump, the got box them. Look when them group up. Shot pop head, King Fargo, mini key.
I hear him play one song. I big up 90s, 50s, 40s. Pussy Lee Major alone put up in hand can live at Brooklyn. And a bad selector from Brooklyn. And when he plays big up he get mad. But you see tonight, you see when I look over there, someone tell her what going over there. So.
Charge up, you know what I'm represent for King Fargo Sound. Me I say deal, DJ Flames, Jeremy and Chris Cross, War Chef, Waterhouse, New York, King Fargo. We roll out with the heartless soldiers. A which boy say him not take program. You coulda live in a darkest ocean. Brother anyway dog them portal. We full of gun like law and food.
Labbers! That's on here. Name King Fargo. He forward from East 90 blood clot 6. Pussy you see gun them over there.
Bang! Bang bang boom! Fargo Sound, hot tool.
Yes, the 50s, 40s.
Hot tool.
No lie.
Christmas, kill them. Load up the place with the bang bang boom. Ugly rifle with long damn.
The boys say we not no money.
Fargo Sound.
He say now the money.
Shot burn them like weed and hopefully fat grabber. Give them dollar kind and a fat dollar. Big ball game can't stop Salah. Try Rocky Vice truck back in your fat mother. Rifle with fire titi jack mama. Office 17 built-in.
Blacks looking at my blood clot gun.
Yo, King Fargo, make them know when the bad dog trap. Shoot, we are gonna shoot up
King Fargo Sound.
Tonight.
I look back at both the two times that you cried.
Take all the bass. Take all the blood clot bass. Make them hear what I want.
That song that's smooth. Want to test we will fuck better than you. Well, tonight you get a surprise.
Kaya, listen, Kaya.
In Brooklyn,
listen.
The rumors kick off for your life. You
listen.
Turn it up. But you're juggling never better than mine. 'Cause there's no one in the world to compete with. Nothing in the world you can teach me. No sound is overrated like Ruff Cut Crew. Tonight you come to New York. We know that you're gonna die.
Everybody feel bump. Everybody bump.
A Ruff Cut that try play like this and you sing. Them can't juggle like a wheel. And them attack.
Kaya,
Turn it on. You know the dance here, bad man forward, bad man pull up, bad man forward, bad man pull up, bad man forward, bad man pull up, bad man pull up. Everybody! Everybody!
Come make me dance, rough cut down dead already. The crocodile on the left. You never go up your man. Rubber belly to belly. And me give me the rent already. Come make me dance.
Blocks. Bumbo clot. After tonight, you can't fight against Juice again. You get blood clot fire, you know. So nobody go back to Jamaica and expect a jump on Rough Cut Zone. And Juice are gonna get him visa now. Bumbo clot. You know how long him a bad mind Juice? You know blood clot long, listen.
Go hop your man. Go hop your body. At the road.
We are hot bikini, say we are hot bikini. And all them a do me say they can't stop me. Hot bikini, say we are hot bikini. And all them a do me say they can't stop me. They gonna
Tarantula. Long time here forward at Brooklyn. You know about 50s. You know about 40s. You know about 90s. Brownsville, Utica, Flatbush, Bumbleclan, New Lots.
Come to select us. As some Brooklyn gun we up over there. Well, are the same thing we King Fargo they say.
Them can't stand a big song. If you keep
what's so a rough cut?
We know every code and style nine book. So not for dead to feel good. Yeah, yeah. So remember know if a vibes they push. Yo, King Fargo son. No sound, can't style Ubakawa.
Pussy, tonight, you're not gonna escape the blood clot death here.
Hey, turn up my voice. Me say your sound just dead out again. Hey, me say somebody that go dead out again. I want do them. Hey,
turn it on. I'm not giving a look away there. Boy, run through the crowd with my blood clot rifle, dog. Run through the crowd. Run through the blood crowd.
King Fargo.
Man pull up all 20 Matic spark. Wednesday, empty Bamilata.
I banish Bumbo Clap people.
Bumbo Clap do the boy.
Fuck with them. King Fargo sound. Tell some sound boy. When you was a pussy dark your mind. Anyway you're the inna the world no hard fi find. Remember you are the party kind. Pull up on your foot and full the up with the 45.
Turn it on. Pussy. You act like you can't step to me. I trick you at New York. Me. We come over here some box on a blood clot. Tell him why me say that.
See them a dog, say them body no dog. Boy fuck. Them no body no dog. Body no mag. Body no dog. Boy fuck. King Fargo sound. Boy fuck. Yo crisscross. A boy fuck. Ringo Star. There. A boy fuck. Yo King Fargo sound. Boy fuck. Boy fuck.
Brooklyn, we're ready for you juggling for New York. We're ready for the New York juggling.
Think of the champion in the day, the champion in the night. People are dancing when King Fargo is playing. Still a sound clash. Still on
the boy come out here talk about War Chef restaurant.
Some sound still try. Oh yeah, King Fargo play.
Awa, you want to work over the tears? You claim to say me live a Connecticut and media Brooklyn and wash pot. You know say you sound like a big blood clot idiot. You up here talk about War Chef this, War Chef that, restaurant this and restaurant that. Go suck your mama, you see when I say King Fargo, so know this.
I say King Fargo business and mind your own. Leave King Fargo business, hey. Leave King Fargo alone. Leave our business and mind your own.
All right, juggle no cross, we don't have much time, juggle.
Leave our business and mind your own. You in my
I want to them, hey, exit. I want to them. Crisscross, Jeremy, Warship, Famous. Hey, half the boat. King Fargo drop them anchor. What they want? Drive out the tanker. Money fell long from us, so go straight down to Sri Lanka. We got bitches, more riches like we friend Larry and come on to you.
Hey boy, you come in here with a bugger man. Where your manager there? Because tricky enough you're forward and dead. Time and Juice a friend. And Juice ready for trouble now. Where is Sean Piper? Why he's not fucking coaching you guys? Bumba wall. You see tonight? Yeah, we got
Rough cut do nam. We see Tony and Father Ruffy pick up can.
Yes, sir.
Run from young guns, now you're dead in the land. Bumbo clap and make this kid then. You off with this hand, Sean Piper no bad. The fucker just stand, the harder him fall. My gun in no stick, my rise is zigzag. How we go? Don't play it.
Shadow. The pussy forward and a big up here. When we trim the bad people them now, trim it.
Sean Piper, don't try to fly this boy. This no. Die. In a Brooklyn, the crocodile song die. Pussy you say them one war. Fargo, rise up here, Silla.
New York. Earlier, I'm stand up over here, so. The pussy walk with Kaya there. I said, boy, you know bad. I'm going to go some pussy me, I'm going to gun palm me. You look like me have a gun. We see Batty Boy run back on the stage. You see when me a blood clot step, let me tell her this.
Pussy. I see. I know this. Fargo, watch out easy. Step if you a step now. Step if you a step now. Pussy. Step if you a step now.
Batty Boy blocks.
Stop sentient. They mongo bad pan Twitter and thing.
All who want King Fargo win a dance, go down in the here.
Hey, we never forget the borders. One better than a further away. King Fargo sound. All them things that make we play a song. Hard life too cold. Hey, King Fargo sound love fi murder son. Boy, him no cater.
Boy, earlier I'm a big up 90s, 50s, 40s. Utica, Brownsville, Flatbush, New Locks, Bumbleclad, a Church Street with a pussy. You must tell about Brooklyn.
Yeah, New York badness, East 96 badness, King Fargo. Yeah, look how much rifle they have to put on. The first time you come here, some me say Kugan.
I want me telling about rifle.
You're too much. Pull it out,
listen.
King Fargo. Wild West. Spin nice spine, spoil fest, some fine chest. Them make boss boy, my bro can't find it. Put the head shot, the K-belly a digest.
Rough cut. Pussy. You're not by the country. Reggae kings are the bad blood clot sound from Senti. Suck your mama blocks. You know bad. You talk about say you're forward for run America. Let me tell you I'm blood clot, you.
Say them like the city, but I will like the world. Say them rule the boys, but I will rule the girl. Say them rule diamond, but I will rule pearl. And I will put the fire upon Earl. I couldn't. Say them like the city.
Every man will play King Fargo sound straight.
Fargo rule the girl.
Pussy, you can't say that up here enough.
You're gonna say King Fargo. Me say that one on him. Slow them and their feelings them a carry. Then go ready and them can't say them sorry, y'all. Slow them and their feelings them a carry. Hey, Fargo, tell them something, say. Sing them up, hang them up.
But we show them how we deal with the little time we left. The pussy attack tough, alright, let me tell you.
Alright then, we tell you jump on. Your mouth make fit talk anything, yeah. All you want try for like I'm in a
Pussy! Pussy!
Anyway, they go now, coming now. While I celebrate the campus. Why say, when they are it must bumpy. Boy, get wet up with the Taurus, King Fargo son. No love with people. Rising at the top.
Hey boy, I came me forward up your way.
Mad, King Fargo. King of some boy, Mr. Shot them with the key. Shot them with the key. Some boy dead right away. King Fargo.
Boy, like how many of Brooklyn are body up. Me can't forward a Senti and tell them me box on the blood clot.
King Fargo sound. Tell them your body anywhere. Waterhouse are your one. Rifle a clap, eagle a fly down.
Cross, you ready for kill the pussy then? Ready for kill the pussy then?
We in a ground 12 lane New York, man. I shot out them head.
Gunshot me up for them the answer. Waterhouse New York. When I listen when food talk, them have to move in me.
Tonight!
Cause we ready for don't fuss it. When we do it, we no off it. Turn it up so nobody Fargo them and no gun clap it. Marky the shot it. Turn over the rat it. Them can't tell me if stop it. I got them the authority cross.
Pussy, your next round me I go stand up next to Kaya. If you think you're bad, just make your shoes catch my blood clot shoes and see if Kaya in a box or don't need now.
Tell him. The man called DJ Flames, Waterhouse, New York. Anyway, the boot work, with a two-talk. King Fargo tell a pussy all this. Run up and wait if you're bad. You just say, open to a bright light and go tap. King Fargo sound and the Grung God. If we get cross, we left the whole place match.
The boy make tough talks and select a bad like Chris Cross.
When them thing you isolate it for the clap.
Who knows this boy no good?
Land. Them can't play like I know. All them along of them out.
Time. Relax. What are lights? We'll make this quick. I can see enough. Fuck it. They're too slow with the lights anyway. All right. If you say Ruff Cut, take the second round. Put one under the ear, make me see it. Keep them up. Take them down. If you say King Fargo, take the second round. Put one under the ear, make me. King Fargo, take the second round. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget, January 25th, the place to be is Hello Meadow. You know what that is, East Williamsburg. Cannabis versus Young Guns. Thing called Laid to Rest. Big dance. Well, and me have a couple more commercials for read before we start the next round. Don't forget, it's all about March 29th. Place to be is Bronx. Sean Piper dance. The thing called Fire Cup. Wally Passon upon it. Cannabis, Emperor, Hype Zone, Snow White, Concord, Rasclad, Big Dance, March 29th. That's what I'm showing up. All right. Now this round is 15 minutes. Press a sample, make me over this. All right. No long thing. 15 minutes, third round. Ruff Cut, your time starts now.
Yeah. Us. Let me that talk a phone. I look like science in another one. Thank you very much. Yo. This sound better? Listen to me argument now. First thing, me no want to know if man good. Me no want to know that. All who ready for sound dead in the morning no bossa blanc. Me no hear. All who ready for sound dead. Bossa blanc now.
Yes, some sound for just know themselves.
Sick me chick on a blood.
Just know themselves. They gonna be a stock on the shelf. Ruff Cut, you are the champion sound. Kiss on a country and we murder them at Barry, Stephen.
Tonight me I go murder them. Let me go on.
I see tonight. Ruff Cut tell them say tonight. Ruff Cut a kill them dead. Yeah, I always say Ruff Cut.
King Fargo sick me sick or no. Look what me I go relax and play.
Oh, some sound keep trying, but it's only Ruff Cut sound. Gonna murder them.
Some angle day. Ruff Cut.
I lose a sound for them. Turn on in the ear.
When Ruff Cut make a sudden attack, someone can react.
Gone again. Ruff Cut. All who are gone dance long time. Turn on in the ear.
They my man.
Yeah, tell the pussy there.
Them for know.
Tell them.
Something's wrong. Ruff Cut can tell.
Oh no, want me kill them.
Mercy.
Brooklyn.
Jesus Christ.
That's King Fargo.
Ruff Cut. You're mine. Hey. Ruff Cut and Ruff and sound and playing rum but dumb.
Bomb-a-red.
And I don't keep
level. Deal. Yes, I done. Harder your blood clot, justice.
Anyway, from them time,
Brooklyn.
I Ruff Cut sound.
Your boy, tell your friend them.
Alright, tell some boy this, yeah? We tell them play harder. Oh no, coffee, put down them come to this. Ruff Cut, but me said love going to
Level. Wouldn't no look when they pussy them. Ringo Star. Deal. Wash them big up yourself. We not got this here tonight. Crisscross. We are struggle. Let me tell the pussy them.
Ruff Cut. Kill them all tonight. Ruff Cut. Murder sound guy. Yeah. Take away them life. Yeah, man, not singing, you know. Ruff Cut. We are the baddest. sound. And in a Brooklyn tonight we approve it. Another Senti sound, kill sound boy in a the palace. I want the King Fargo. Hey, we are gonna murder all three. War Chef, Dale and Ringo Star. We kill them no easy. You can't see, you are the tree blind mice. And from you this rough cut, you are go dead tonight.
Una tabo song. All who want me play a 3D hard way. Go on in this blood.
Alright, done the argument. Yellow, what you say?
We don't go and pitch it.
Song digga digga digga.
You tell me about play a song. Pussy get that 3D hard way.
Rough cut song.
Watch ya.
Saka. Yellow. Say.
Who can make the dance rum? Who can make the dance rum? Who can make it calm? Who can make it calm?
Come.
No other sound in this a dance, I don't go rough.
Pussy, this a 3 man we not deal.
Who can
listen your cut song.
Can murder jump on rough cut can. Rough cut can.
Got him on deal.
Cut song. Murder jump on. Boom bang bang.
If you cross the bridge, rough cut to leave your life in a sorrow. And if you cross the bridge, rough cut to leave your life in a pain. Rough in me gun them shine, blood a go run like
Ringo Star we are shot.
And you will never
let me tell them.
Oh, target Brooklyn. Oh Lord, the boy them the same man.
Gunshot for all.
Please. Yo, this is Steve Marley talking. Rough cut sound. Top Lion sound scene.
Turn on my blood club.
Fire blocks.
Brooklyn down.
Juice. London socks. Rough cut sound and soldier. In your army. Rough cut sound and soldier. In your army. You know. What the foundation and the only place. Rough cut sound with a run and trace. You love the king of kings with grace. Give your all your thanks and praise. That's my fortune and my fame. Never sell out just to maintain. Loyally I remain. Rough sound said do the same.
I want your joy. Fire blocks, some boy watch them trucks.
And say again, foundation and the only place. Rough cut sound with a run and trace. You love the king of kings with grace. Give your all your thanks and
praise. Promoter, big up yourself. And when me I play me hard, see I put up your hand. But big up your
what's some boy say?
We not your army.
You think I know the pussy them one way? Send a bag of fly fish one way.
From a sound clash. Don't big up yourself, Ruffy, Barry, OJ, Fire Blocks, St.
Love like that. Fargo in your blood clot yard me there. Remember this.
Murder.
Culture Follies.
The whole New York station.
You know, Fargo go like some girl like him a keep malice. What's up go like a film territory? Alright.
Territory. Rough cut to kill them like the territory. Hey, territory. In this a sound clash territory.
So we no care where you live and we no care where you're from. You have a house on a bill from 19 no long. I couldn't rough cut you one high pop
We had to kill them.
We not get a slow blood clot did.
Rough cut and murder.
Tell the pussy down.
Kill them surely, surely, surely.
Kill them surely. Yes, we kill them surely.
Kill them surely, surely, surely.
Chant never chant.
Yes, I'm a hyper.
No.
Chick me chicken.
Surely, surely.
Chicken.
Rough cut sound.
Rough cut murder them surely, surely, surely.
Rough cut Brooklyn. Sound boy, what you gonna do? That for your buck up in a rough cut.
That on the sun.
How you mean? Brothers and sisters today now.
Level. You know why you try this way? And I try to talk about me and fight Jews? Because you know real thing. Watch out.
Sound boy done dead already. Blow. Oh Lord.
Watch out.
So make we do the rough cut rock stay. Blow.
Watch out.
Sound clash is hard, but rough cut going kill them. Believe you me.
Watch out. Bumbuckler. Level. LP, big up yourself, Father Puma. Listen, some boys.
Flash it. Sound boy done dead already. Blow. Oh Lord.
You know much man I try coach there.
Backstage.
Listen up forward up here.
Oh Lord. Rough and rugged, rough cut, you rough and rugged, rough cut your foundation, the pants and top.
I want them bad there, I want them fool them.
This pussy not bad like me. Oh, chick me chicken.
A rough cut run the line. Anthony Cruz. Like Fargo half know that them a say in the streets. Cause they know this a rough cut, I know them get it. Like Fargo half know rough cut I run the street. Rough cut I drop some dub plate and send them 6 foot deep. Culture palace knock up and the whole place.
But tell them so I chick me chicken blood clot. Make it hype up and make nice. You don't feel like you have more links than people. You don't have no more blood clot links than me. Many and fire blocks. This is rough cut. Tell them pussy there.
King Fargo dead now. Lord of Moses. Lord of Moses.
Question, watch out.
Brooklyn, I Fargo hometown. Rough cut, just get him sound. Kick him up and beat him bad. Him have to turn to him as I got. Rough cut a kill sound. King
Level ruling. I know level. I know Brooklyn ain't come from. Oh sorry. You focus here 69th Street ain't come from. On 69th Street in Brooklyn. All who want me box down that I'm killing you, put up your gun on.
Them dead again, yo. It's the rough cut. Rough as ever. Tough as ever. Bad as ever.
Watch out.
Alright. Say all the hype and them hype. Rough cut a burn up them bumbo clad. Burn up them bumbo clad. And all the hype and them hype. Rough cut a kill them ass clad.
Murder them.
Time out. All the hype and them hype. Rough cut a kill them bumbo.
Oh, you're 15 minutes get and roll shoot again. Have you gone on in here? Gone on in here. Watch out. Watch out.
In the night. Kiss a rough cut. Hey. In the name of the Lord, rough cut, no king.
Level. Kaya. Big up yourself. See your blood clot artist. I'm going to play.
Them for know. I just had the baddest. Man like Barry Large up, man like Ruffy. I could them from St. Bess.
Watch out,
boy. Wanna say a prayer to the Lord, tell your family bye-bye. Everybody you fit dead and know what your time for die. Take your life.
Gunshot you shall digest. Spang bang bang.
Fargo, me I go kill your blood.
Bang bang bang. Okay. Alright. Rough cut man a bad man, wicked man, attack man for toy. Glock in a me and more, kill and destroy. Murder them, mama make them papa stop growing. Them this rough cut post a hole. Now ask me say.
The man never know you're not spy. Gun on in here. The man never know you're not spy. Gun on in here. Me a looking at
that. Fucking niggas working with the FBI. Motherfucking niggas, you know your public eye. Watch everything with the public eye and I try. Motherfucking niggas, you know. Stand best. Send boy to rest. No stress. Messing set. I got your spy them for die. Copper shot in on them heart. Hurry not.
Kill son boy, see. Don't worry. Gotta come with it one.
Oh, you're going like you're a bad man, so pussy hole.
Kill this.
Watch out.
Alright. Oh, them are going like a police. I'm on the line on the go. Sound boy.
All those are Fargo fit there. Gun on in here.
Rough cut kill them.
Tell Fargo.
Make us a king Fargo.
Watch out.
Rough cut, fly come to Brooklyn, fi kill you now.
Bomberin.
For fucking jerk.
Bomber level. Any anti-guns in our place? All who want me shoot blood clot deal, gun on in here. Gun on in here.
Barry, I want to them, pay gun your blood clot carry. Yo, and
yeah, you see me?
Fire
you see fire blocks?
No fucking axe. Rough cut a killer.
What?
Kill any sound where inside that clash, yeah. Kill them suck pussy nigga. OJ, tell the boy, suck out the mother. Press trigger.
You want your bomber clot forward? All who rate booked in Bossa Blanc in here. All who are gonna dance a long time. Tell the pussy I say.
You're drunk for some boy.
Early.
Rough got sound it hey. Somewhere we tell
King
them
Fargo dead.
Early when sound clash morning. Rough got step up in the dance.
Some boy dead.
But there was no sound.
All who want me kill them, gun on. Watch out.
And send
Get Fargo. Clash of police. Early Sunday morning. Rough cut kill sound boy.
We can't say it, don't know we get paid for kill. Chop them up in the ramp parable.
You don't get paid for kill nobody. But let me tell you this.
You know no rough cut tell them say. King Fargo, you know no bad man, no soap your blood clot. Hype up yourself, boy, you little old fart. King Fargo, you know the bad man, so stop from talk. Tonight rough cut to murder you in a New York. The rough cut. King Fargo and not
King Fargo. Level on that. I know it a reach one time now. You might go run out to the blood clot bomber song them so. King Fargo, let me tell you this, blood clot.
Rough cut sound, what you know? Right, that's how you know. Okay now, don't fuck around if you don't mean it. Don't diss me son if you don't mean it. Rough cut papa from blue stick. Full magazine, why beat it. Fools don't know the art, but them love to talk. When my son
level. How much more minutes or so me have left? 1 minute? May I use a 1 minute and shot him 3 times?
Rough gun.
Watch out! Del Fargo!
Lord mercy.
Tell it!
I just the right flick, no loose start, no loose slip. Bow. Watch every talk, watch every word. Why if you know a bullet come out and gun, I need the fire swap stud. Till I see how the gun, the boy, which one on the love. Let up the conflict, and we go fever. I don't know, man. Some boy think I want me season. Easy black and gent straight to England, saying rough cut. Pounds them a bounce and the least. Sound just expose one them, I'm up them sleeve. When you think I know that I couldn't get away, when you could have fast like this. With no criminal land, it's most innocent.
One time Barry, Chevy, St. Elizabeth, motherfucking.
Make up yourself before night done. You have a blood clot here for bad soul.
Do I know about badness? So we just murder them blood clot. Tell them the one your name blood bought.
Time. That was rough cut third round. You know I'm gonna read it after the vote, right? You know I got you, son. Come on, son. Press a sample, make me here. Because we're not wasting no time up here. All right. Ladies and gentlemen. King Fargo third round. Your 15 minutes starts now. Good morning again, Brooklyn. I'm telling you something. 1 year now, me I play King Fargo sound. All who say me I go on good for King Fargo sound, but a load blank over your head. Big up War Chef. Big up DJ Flames. They are North Carolina right now. I go on Shelly done. People. A tricky pussy them get tricked. And this them afraid of. And we say, teamwork make the blood clot dream work. Ringo Starr, forward and kill them pussy you know.
Brooklyn, New York, good morning. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Holy Emmanuel, like King Selassie, I Joe. Shh. Hold on. From night me there and a pussy there diss me. Me hear them diss me manager, me general, me boss. Kiedo. You see that song here? Me gonna use it and bust up them blood clot. Let go.
Big up King Fargo song. This are the writer. Crisscross Ringo Starr, Dale, Jermaine, DJ Flames, War Chef, Kid and the Oh. Waterhouse, New York, Trinidad.
Them send them a crocodile song, no? Yeah.
Well, if you're looking for the crocodile song, them dead in the water. Him drunk in the informer boy.
Shot Piper. Yeah.
All the pussy them claims them a bad man and a run from KG and them data. How you fi make the
Here you pull up. I go and bust up on the blood clot in the morning, yeah. Yo. Me hear them, yo. Me hear them play a Michael Palmer custom. All who want me counteract, it's a counteract. Here ya.
Different direction. Rough cut, you're dead now.
Here ya.
Lord of mercy. Lord of mercy. Since you know Brooklyn and Fargo town, at the wrong place you clash your sound. King Fargo, I go shut you down. The crocodile gone on.
Yeah.
Rough cut, you're dead now.
A Michael Palmer, Fimi blood clot artist. Brooklyn, New York, you respect go.
Rough cut, you're dead now. Lord of Moses.
Yeah.
Lord of Moses. No more rough cut, we're done with them. No more dead sound, we're done with them.
All who want blood clot rough cut, then gun on in the ear. Gun on in the blood clot here in the morning. Yeah.
King Fargo sound. King Fargo sound. Boroban dancer.
Level. The pussy them come to New York and think them win a blood clot 2 clash. And lucky the pussy them lucky. Camouflage, big up on yourself. One of them big up on yourself. Them pussy they can't kill them bad sound there. Hey boy, hear ya! Hear ya!
Some sound boy now.
You think you can't kill this?
The invasion. Sound boy corral the place. I want to overthrow we look like. No sound no left up at the station. I wear them ear about. King Fargo fire out. Was an invasion.
The being a blood clot Brooklyn stand for what? Bounty killer. All the respect Bounty God on.
Friends and worship. Guy watching switch on them words what him say. Killer is here and King Fargo. We shot them and go with Haitian days killing. All time
Stop. All who say no want me lock off blood clot rough cut. So lock off.
This is me I deal with. Ayaga yeah. I'm a man.
I lock their blood clot lock off rough cut.
Say there is no peace in this world. Sound boy got you wait. Tonight you are so dead. A King Fargo dead.
King Fargo son, a blood clot team. All King Fargo fan, go on in the ear before. Go on!
King Fargo sound of the unexpected. Now for them I go and say they're not interested. Yeah, the other day so them they go get arrested. Now they you them molested.
You think blood clot rough cut can't kill me? Pussy you not talk about bad? Better than who?
Who them? King Fargo. Alright. Rough cut them can't kill King Fargo at all. Crocodile with a roll like ball. Everywhere them go a King Fargo name them call. But we gun them so tall.
90s, 40s, 50, Flatbush, roll a Bronx, roll a New York, God on!
Ringo Starr, let me tell him something. Check. Better than them from here, better than them from far. Jump out a car and left a face past yard. None of them are war. How they are killing right now. We build up with them near and far. House and car, club and bar.
I lock me a blood clot like a rough cut. Pussy one better than who? Better than blood clot, oh!
Mental, German, cancer, you know the trappings. New York, Waterhouse, watch that style, man. When we tell them, check, who them. None of we not care about them. Who we murder us, so with us, get go, Joe, come back, do with a get Who them. None of we not care about them.
From night up here, blood clot loose argument. Him not fit talk about Batino. And do the blood clot blocks. Roll that one here.
Tell them Captain say. Oh, let the word of thy mouth and the meditation of thy heart be acceptable in your sight, King Fargo.
Hallelujah!
Killing is with mission in this competition. If no boy feels, I'm gonna say worship, I'm gonna say Ringo Starr, you know. I'm gonna say mental, I'm gonna say natural, I'm gonna say Chris Class, I'm gonna say Journey. A King Fargo. Boy now go. Oh, them a go on like them bad so. Like them no respect the sound when name fall. That one a name. Oh, them a go on like them bad so. And we find out say enough of them now. That one a name.
All I money for you can't defend yourself. Pussy wall rough cut. No, this bomb clad from now.
They say, I can't twist and pass the whole time to. All massive easy. Well, we are bound long time. How much sound you kill? About 49. Yeah! We come and dance all the hotter sound. King Fargo sound. Tell them, Fargo we are.
Sing them some jumbo.
Level!
It's it.
You know what me mash up in you now? You know what me lock off the pussy them?
Oh, here I come, in here I am. King Fargo sound will come for kill jump on. Oh, here I come, and here I am. King Fargo sound will come for kill jump on. Hey, this is a warning, pray to God.
Level! All ganja smoker, lights in the ear. Drop some gun in the ear. All ganja smoker.
Be rolling up a blunt, set the mind at ease. Enhance the Mali with some Hennessy. I'm rolling with King Fargo and the girl in please. That's our
Kaya, big up yourself, mama.
You
look off the pussy.
King Fargo can play with these. Ask the Jamaican, the Japanese.
What the King Fargo keep rolling.
The chronic.
Anthem time now, you know. What the ganja smoke on them?
And if they only knew the niceness that the sense in then you bring, some boys would never.
I go a lucky man
again. And if they only knew the sweetness that the sense they bring, some boys would never.
Everybody likes it.
Somebody run back all the way.
Not right now. Big Fargo.
Man from Brooklyn, gun in the ear, so.
Yo, them and them with them wanna gun not bust it up.
All of the New York massive them.
I go and bust up on the blood clot.
What's a whipping in the morning? King Fargo, he's in the area.
Bumbo clap on
us, sound boy. When we reach the border, tell them again. Whipping King Fargo, he's in the area.
5 minutes. Wally for blood class up there. New York.
Them thing with it done. Them thing with it done. Hey, them thing with it done. We just a come boom. Them thing with it done. Them thing with it done. Hey, them thing with it done. We just come King Fargo.
Motherfuckers know. He said,
them pussy at about gun. Let me tell them about Brooklyn.
Tickle.
Yo,
where's my motherfucking guns?
Boys, we be gonna glide and collide. 42 piece of wave sound justified. See King Fargo, boy, you them you must avoid. Cause we gonna have no pride. Hide. We gonna what though? It's a gonna know we.
Level, hold on. Me hear the answer play. Anthem blood clot time now. We need to take out to the flag. We need to take out to the blood clot flag. Trinidad, Jamaica, Belize. Wow!
King Fargo, a general, is a Fargo massive. See them, a Fargo. Chuck, there you man, here's my virgin.
Yo, leave me a drop.
His own boy get lightning and thunder and brimstone. Progressive sound must try. I have killed them with positive vibes. I sing, she goes out to the men in the street.
What? Hey, boy, blacks.
Shut your mouth when Fargo talking. You disrespect don't play to me.
Yeah.
Give me the running room, I'ma crush them cockroach. Thank you.
Are we them who?
When last we hear this? When last?
Queens and Brampton, Gallatin. Hey. King Fargo, you're strong, you know. Anything you kill from where years like you're.
That party girls to the man in part of putting gunshot baking, pussy sleep and gunshot waking. What is this? Yo!
Rough cut! Pussy what black!
Plain. The last W, I'm bumble tonight. Me say you want to lose your life. Pussy hole, listen is the boy. Hey,
what we look like?
And if you this, King Fargo is dead.
You are not dead tonight.
Don't forget to the rule is dead.
Level. We have a blood clot buried spot for blacks. Do the blacks. No, this pussy hole.
Pin them in one, pin them in two. I got the permit
it, bury on the lies.
Go to law, kill King Fargo, nothing I said go. Well, when man sent to me, if you come kill baby, and I live a minute.
Kill who, boy?
Yeah,
kill who?
Midnight, I go suck your mother. Listen this, boy. Listen this.
Hey, boy!
Bumbo clot, you know. Watch you know.
Hey, boy!
Before you die, jump and wanna see the Lord. Reach out and touch him.
I go and lock off your blood clot.
In his word.
Hi!
Confess your sin.
Level.
King Fargo, I go murder your sound.
Lord and that.
Before you die.
You know some sound? When them leave Jamaica, England, wherever the blood clot they with them come from, one set of artists them have in a New York, like Johnny Osbourne, this artist are rare. Oh, no, remember the blood clot artists here?
Case them day on the Matic day on King Fargo, ready for line.
Remember the artists here?
Unago. We are live nice again. Kill sound and put them on ice. And put the whole sound better think twice.
Much man to the dance and shoot man.
Yo, pluck it out!
Cancer, bingo star, German, all massive east. No respect, disrespect in all aspects of sound. Don't know who them are dealing them. Test me. We could be smart and even born a split here and come disturb.
Every gun on!
Lord, why run up and we going on get him in back shut up? To me, man.
You not talk about song?
Fire.
Song done pussy! Yeah!
Every sound of a right to the side here.
Now one just the whole of now, one just the whole of New York, the whole place got a sound of murder and sound.
Who not ready that money now? See it now?
Wow,
King Fargo, the champion.
Everybody go slow!
Sitting in the morning.
Honey, not here, you're Brooklyn!
I don't know just how long this beat in Fargo sound. Hey, I hope tomorrow will bring better.
Hard them, your pussy! Hard them!
Till I jump on right now. King Fargo, them sound there.
I know which lane. Everyone has it. I want my track about the King of Fire present for the big sound.
Lock them up!
Yeah, me no King Fargo. Them not like we and we not like them. Yeah. I don't hear that sound. Look here where you come from. I can't tell about King Fargo. Fargo sit down and plan and me dig me foundation. Some post the world one, they got me excavation. I agree with it. Man, gun ya me more. King Fargo sound and play. And somebody please.
Go on, go back. You're Ruffy.
Now me beg you. Papa put your hand.
Ruffy.
Now me sing again. Go on, go bury your dead now, please. And Papa put your hand by your head. How long me a teach about the matic and music? Telephone them say Fargo now have no pity. This King Fargo, well you're dead and you go back.
I lose some for birdie pushing them. Go down in the ear.
Hey boy, go on down a graveyard, your father. I do the left side one. I want things like that. I want to man. Stop your talk. Look in your face like this.
How they rapid, boy?
But me say Fargo, I just say Mark 11 Fargo, dig up and bus. Why the M16 Ruffy dig up and bus? What's the wall stop talk, hush up car. Gunshot, yeah. So much, yeah. I just say Mark 11 Fargo, dig up and bus. Just say 16 Fargo, dig up and.
When I say Bunty, you say killer. Bunty! Bunty!
Is it up to the band, to the band, to the band?
Dale!
Bunty!
Gonna feel a bullet a yell. The men called Jeremy and DJ Flames. One chef, Auto House, New York. We gonna ask who you. We gonna take interview. Ringo Starr, Dale, Jermaine, DJ Flames, Worship. What House? New York a slaughterhouse. We finger knob, see if it you look here.
Yeah, man.
Everybody in here.
Operation one time, we have a gun power. Anytime we take it out, we have both it in the ass.
Pull up. All who want me lock off rough cut. So lock off. So come on, mama.
Time. Relax. Mm-hmm. What does that blow the hand them, son? No cool, man. Yeah. People, we're going to vote this round. All right? I'm going to relax on yourself. If you think Rough Cut take the third round, one hand on the ear, make me see. Put it up. Keep them up for a second. I'm looking around. Take them down. Don't tell me what the fuck to look at. I got more eyes than y'all. If you think Fargo took the third round, one hand of the year, make me see it. Take them down. Fargo got the edge, 3-0. Got the edge. Got the edge. Got the edge. Now, relax on yourself. The fourth round is 10 minutes. Rough cut, line up on yourself and press a sample. Make me hear. This is a 10-minute round. You remember what I told you, right? 10 minutes. Press a sample, make me hear. See, you know what to hold on. Don't forget, January the 18th, you have a dance named No Long Talking. Happens to be right here. We have King Ramsey versus Silver Crown versus Civic Sound, right? Yeah. No Long Talking. Big up Puma, you don't know. You see what I say? I'm going to read some more flyers. I really want to dance you go on. I don't want to just itch up the thing. Press a sample.
Good sound, Rough Cut sound.
Thank you.
Good sound, Rough Cut sound.
Rough Cut. Your 10 minutes starts now.
God know me have a laugh. I swear me have a laugh. Why I saw you desperate for a win. I saw you desperate for a win. A man play the bunty finger now. Have safety with it. And come play back again. The next song again. The man play the butcher and come play back again. And if you listen. Listen me argument now. Money now. Bamba Wall, King Fargo.
How goes there? The Rough Cut sound Rasta. Ruffy, Barry.
Lock off one
alongside
boy.
the Mighty Diamonds. Shut it.
Everybody in the morning.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody in the morning.
Whoa, yeah.
Happy on.
A Rough Cut sound, you know. Sure.
Everybody wants to be a win, watch out.
Whoa, yeah. Rough Cut sound, have no mercy. All sound.
Musical crime.
Display back again to press play.
Rough Cut sound.
Display back again to
champion.
Tell them.
Number one.
Tell them.
Sound, you never knew what you did when you this way.
Turn up again.
Rough Cut sound, big. They make some jump.
Then I'm on in there. King Fargo.
I see you select. Listen.
Watch out.
Kill some sound, kill some sound, kill some sound, Rough Cut. Kill some jump and sand. Enemy.
Level. I know Brooklyn, me there. I know Brooklyn, me there. All who forward the class, gun on in the ear.
And we no pit and we no powder on the
gun on in the ear.
Rough Cut. Cut them up.
Watch ya.
Can we a must? Yes, I miss a Rough Cut, no sucker.
Me a win this a blood clot dance. Fargo, watch out.
This is Ronnie Davis, my brother. Bless up. Whoa, yeah.
Watch out.
Yeah, yeah.
Brethren,
got to know you say, in this dance. Sound by half the man. Him get carried away by captivity.
Murder them.
What a
all who know by your foot up your hand here. Gun on in the ear. Yo.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget.
King Fargo, you try pull a stone, but remember this.
Well now.
Remember this. Bamba One.
Rough Cut sound. Yeah.
Ring the star.
put on a iron plate and kill and jump and shoot.
Me a win the dance, I tell him.
Ooh yeah, now.
Have the original dance on fans. Go on in the ear. Go on in the ear. Mr. Vice India.
Them a go dead in the sound clash. Watch it. Rough cut him a go kill.
Turn up again.
Every time.
I really gonna kill you, some boy.
King Fargo.
Gonna get you wet.
Watch him on in. Watch him on in. Turn up.
Look how we kill sound.
Turn on again.
Rough cut again with the style. Some boy I go run up and down.
King Fargo.
Now we
in the morning, yeah.
War is in the dance. War is tonight. Rough cut a kill sound. War is in the clash. War is there. Rough cut on sound.
King Fargo. You're gone 3 rounds and that's why you stop. Let me tell you this blood clot.
Yep. Christopher Ellis. Rough cut sound. Crocodile sound. Father Ruffy. Father Barry. Fire Blacks. Unruly OJ. DJ Graphics. Big up St. Elizabeth. Black River. Kingston, Jamaica, the whole world. Universal sound. #1. Look. Some sound I go get gunshot and won't know what to do. Some sound when they start then stop, cause they can't play like you. Play rubber dope.
Level. Big up here and tell them where you play. Me a 6-year-old, me can't play them the song there. My son never build when them the song their blood clot boss. But my son boss, when them a song your blood clot runs same way.
Trust me, man. Pull up that dub that you playing. Rough cut, can you kill some more? Can you kill some more? Now, lift it up, chuck it up, pull it up, come on, kill it. Rough cut, kill some more.
Level. Young up, big up on yourself. Camouflage, big up, LP. King of this, big up all bad son in the water.
Tell them say a rough cut. Tell them say a rough cut. You know long the murder up there.
Pussy, you think you can't run?
Grab them tonight. Tell them nothing can run, nothing can hide, nothing can escape. From rough cut the plate, no sound can run, none of them can hide nor escape.
Remember this one.
Nothing can.
How them pussy you are disrespect.
Oh, you don't think me afraid of the blood clot? Bad man sound in here.
Now about that.
Okay.
Rough cut, we go to town, them and them in our London. We at them funeral and salute them like a general. Make them know about man the partial to music and imperial. Now got up my cereal, brand new material. Kill them in a sea.
All the matter. God no, not impress me, a blood clot. Believe me to God, you not impress me. But me kill Fargo in here.
I'm a solid. Bitch up the manager. A rough cut sound. Bitch up the manager. Alright, hold on there.
Fargo, here.
Fargo, I tell man book hook. That tonight you coffin it book. Bun down the restaurant like tambourine bush. We got some crisscross. You stand up over there so you a look. Bitch up the gun, them no touch. Them sound they shook. Them never read the clash book. I stand up in the clash and just a look. Plus we hear them look. Cause we hear a man some sound a look. Man some sound a man some sound a.
Oi, how much minute me have left? 3 minutes. Back buckler, roll it. Turn on the sound in there.
Rough cut again. Yeah. King of fire.
Yo, King Fargo.
I want to say dirty guy. Watch out. See that. But now dirty guy. Them and them dirty life. And them now live right. Them dead again. Them and them dirty sound. Them and them evil sound rough.
When you feel like I'm afraid of no blood clot in a boy.
I'm sound. Send to this man.
Remember this. Remember this!
Give it!
Tell him!
Out a murder, we a go murder sound bomb clot. Tonight a murder, we a go murder sound bomb clot. Well a murder, we a go murder sound bomb clot. You want?
The whole of them are dead.
Well of them are dead.
Me not busy what they want say. Tell the pussy them.
Let me tell them this, watch out. Oh, never suck no pussy. Hold up for no one then.
My sound and rough gun sound is big.
Daily I go like your gangster pussy wall.
That mercy. We don't know why them saying them on top of the top. And we never yet got them in a no sound clash.
Kindergarten, get me fucking hot harden. Yo, Stephen, I take no pardon.
You talk about Bunty boy.
Yo,
but Brooklyn me there, hear ya.
Mercy. Why? Said them bad but me on swing since. But no me them won't convince. If Ruff got papa, they gone faster than how you quit.
Don't up him on
it. Like drinks. Well, from boy for the dust goes them out like a trick. When them a meditate, me with them all the thing.
How much minute left? Me telling you say, Ringo started a run come up here. DL alone couldn't finish this a dance a blood clot. Ringo, let me tell you this.
Yeah, man. Sound boy dead like straight up.
Ringo, let me tell you this. Watch out.
You a punk, you throat me a go slash. Pussy where you know about Barry them with ash. M1 rifle strap on pa my black and woolly. Crack full like a labash. Pussy have you ever knock it in a traffic? Have you ever bust a man throat with a cheetah? You don't know nothing about badness, watch it. Fire blacks a go deal with
take out the bass.
Say them a bad man a liar them.
One song me a left. Listen me now. You say me this Kaden. Me never this Kaden. Kaden this me. A Kaden call me. And I tell me and him keep dance. No Kaden, and I say got business, me a blood clot run. Make me play a song in here now. Make me play a song in here, watch out.
Watch it now, Fargo. Kick it. I travel far, journey long. Here we go. Ruff cut in town, we're gonna cut it down.
It's a Christmas beat, boy.
Watch it now. Watch out. Right off the range and I set on, fair no bone, fair no arrow. But I don't think Ruff cut rougher than Zaro. Fools and a check to bushwalk to spit them arrow. If I was on a dead before Christmas, when this bus Ruff the range.
Shut up, big up your blood class, help on your song group.
You can depend on me. Walk wrong. It's not the walk wrong. Kill King Fargo them, murder them all. It's not the Ruff cut sound. Murder King Fargo them, murdering all of them. Burning, kill King Fargo them, we murder them all. It's not the Ruff cut sound. Kill King Fargo them, yeah. Like
Brooklyn, but can't play my last song now. But can't play my last blood class song now. Listen me now. What you say?
A time. A time.
Where, sir?
A time. For real.
Time.
A time. A time. Me to try my best, because I feel like a punchline here wait pan, but it was not a punchline. I have to call it dog. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ruff Cut 10-minute round. Fargo, line up on yourself. Press a sample, make me hear. Take up the microphone there over there, so. Ringo, that one. The microphone, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, Fargo fourth round, your 10 minutes starts now.
Yo, people. All who say the pussy your struggles are true. I saw it hard, me never know say. Well, I know. I saw your blood clot struggle. Me know not bad sound, you know. But tonight it's wicked for the blood clot. All who believe in God, turn in the ear, me see them. Ah, God bless.
Dash you in now, Jade. Dash you in now. Nasty talk.
See it ya? Yes, so me a lock off Ruff Cut now.
King Fargo.
People, you ready?
In the pain show. Oh, yeah.
Ah, God bless.
His Imperial Majesty, King Fargo, playing in the dance hall.
Love it! Hey boy, do the blocks. Why you make it look so hard, pussy? All them do, all the people find us a Ruff Cut for dead. Good on in the air.
No vacancy, eh, eh. Lost all of the rap.
Sugar by that.
When we Fargo play.
King
Fargo. Wake up in the morning. No doubt we don't 13.
What's up the land? Alright, sleep behind the cellar.
Oh yes, Sunday. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, pussy Ruff Cut.
You
Ruff
really
Cut.
Money. Root of olive.
Money. Root of Holy.
Level. Rough cut. Welcome to Brooklyn and goodbye. All who say rough cut for them, gun on in the ear. Push you on it.
Tell them say murder. Hey, some say them not too much. King Fargo son. Murder. Some
King Fargo.
It's easy. It's easy.
Oh. When bad man step for the rifle, rise and a clap. Life on your back, your inside full of shot. Man tied up on the bench, spice. Just stop and be a laugh at the bicycle ice pick and
up in the town, the man called Ringo Starr. Crisscross.
Level. All who respect must to kill a gun on in the ear.
Firehouse, New York, we gun when I left. Some pussy must see this.
Do the black.
Missing. Boy running away, gun and dead. No mongrel dog a fight with them head. Boy.
King Fargo this pussy.
King Fargo them a kill and them no got words to say. Why?
Level. All who go dance long time, go so. All who go dance long time, go so. You know who this? Connect Jammer!
Fargo are the #1 song.
Yeah, Brooklyn!
Lord of mercy. Tonight King Fargo is playing a sound boy going like but as the day get longer,
that's the rich now, yeah.
Gonna get the weak. I get my ball like I get my balloon run in.
Level. Now I play a bad blood class singer from Jamaica. All who respect Barris, go on there. All who respect Barris, go on.
Just a lesson to you, yes. Now let me explain to you, yeah. Fargo killer sound on every corner.
Yeah!
King Fargo sound a play every night and day.
You're rough cut. And the wrong blood class sound they're running now. Hey, pussy!
More than 1,000 dubs in King Fargo's box. This one will kill you. So
yeah!
oh boy.
Pussy rough cut, you struggle. Hey, do the blocks. Your blood class struggle. Hey, boy.
You're playing like a zinc pan sound boy. You run from town to town.
Yeah!
You're playing like a zinc pan sound boy. King Fargo kill your sound. We kill sound here, kill sound there, kill sound almost everywhere.
Level.
Uptown, downtown, our country.
You know, naturally, rough cut for lock off. All who said naturally, them for lock off gun on there, let me see. But you know what? We are going to make you enjoy no blood clot. You know, bring me trophy, come give me, you know. We are going to make you enjoy yourself tonight. You know why?
Yes. Once to them. Whoa. Fire blaze.
Pussy rough cut.
Fargo. You think them sinners sound not dead yet? Sound not dead yet? You think them start bust no cold sweater? Hey, sound not go dead in a day, so love me the rest. Till Fargo them sound the trumpet. You think them sinner blood iron?
90s, 40s, 50s, Flatbush, Utica, Bronx, Brooklyn.
Want to them King Fargo. We want the pussy them, don't fuck around. And see the Fargo gonna rise. And shot pussy between them eyes. Boy brain floats up high to the sky. King Fargo gun them rise.
Level. Taurus Riley sound. Pussy out never play that one upon custom. You never have the blood clot one here. New York, where the God bless them there.
King Fargo them feel like. Hey, watch I know. Some sound boy think them larger than life.
New York!
Oh, yeah. They don't even know how to play for the people.
You forgot for voice that one, yeah?
No, some jump and think.
The beat in a Brooklyn stand for Bounty Killer. All who respect Bounty Gunner. All who respect Bounty.
This is King Fargo.
New York!
Tell them cooking and we trade, cooking and we job. A plate of figure bun them if them this them must see mad. Knock it in and them make them whole family sad.
You know why them boy not eat at our restaurant?
Because a restaurant them go create.
Hunt them time. Level. Hunt them time now. All who respect to Ranchilla. God, not in here.
Oh, no, I get rude. Hit the chefing and shellings. Kill some sound and cook food in our dwellings. In the night, yes, we have dance and bus. And every day we cook food in a silver crust.
Stop. 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 We have 3 more minutes left. All who say rough cut for lock off, say lock off! Everybody in here! Why?
Some man a bad man, wicked man, a black man fit up. The sidewalk and use on a big stone and lick in it. Ramping me.
Yo, body Indian! I see you!
Okay, Fargo. If a pussy want test, I tell that for try. The sidewalk and use
King Fargo. Fargo! Motherfucking nigga should know where you say one of them fit dead, one of them fit baby. Watch it.
Second me shoot it.
Lord of His mercy.
Second me shoot it.
King Fargo.
Where we there? Hey, Ruff cut! Ruff cut!
Fargo. Them a go dead in the war. Fargo a kill Bible. I want to them. Red light. Ha. Yo. How them feel like famous? I'm going to blame up.
One heap of time left.
I say sound I go dead. Tell them no give me no argument. King Fargo come to kill. Them a text to it, man. A King Fargo.
All respect, Bunty Gunnan. New York.
Well, kill or may kill them. Say they talk. King Fargo gun pop out.
Here's some pussy here. I compete themselves with my selector. Yo, crisscross. Show them pussy how you bad.
I wanna listen to King Fargo sound. The champion.
Yeah.
Love King Fargo sound and I'm well. Chef's face up. Has his face up. Oh, them around.
Me a different blood clot Brooklyn with my life.
No, and some more people you will rate. Yes, and them will still choose to show you hate. So why you do bang? Run them out of your yard. From your reality, them a draw bad. But up for them up.
Don't carry no backbiter. Don't carry no informer. Don't carry
Rough God! Rough God!
Humble clot. So now go dead tonight. King Fargo.
Hey boy, blacks up here, blood clot, chat. Pussy wall.
When you sit talking parrot, Bumba when me say go ask him what
Yo, Kiano! Tell the pussy there!
You know see the pussy them a fit. So we them anyway.
Never play Kiano favorite tune. Hey boy!
They walk with them casket, cause tonight them a blood.
Yo, King Fargo sound. I want to some pussy we start bad last week.
Juggle me sound! Them pussy you can't juggle like we.
I just pain and sorrow. Shut out them pain and sorrow.
King Fargo.
Yeah!
Machine.
Tell them!
King Fargo. I bust a chip clock. We make your ass take a
How we? King Fargo.
Yeah, Brooklyn!
We shall all rise to meet in the we shall.
God bless!
Hey. Oh. King Fargo no love what I want up. We are telling little fool of the cabam. Big
Time.
Love with the New York.
We're gonna vote this round. Quick. If you think Rough Cut took the 4th round, put one hand under your make me see it. Keep them up. Take them down. If you think Fargo took the 4th round, put one hand under your make me see it. Fargo. What? I told y'all already there's no lock-off rule. Wanna say lock-off? I told y'all if y'all wanted the lock-off, y'all had to earn that shit. It's not for me to ask for the lock-off. Y'all supposed to ask for it. Fargo sweep the round them 4-0. Wanna get the vote, I saw it vote. Now! It's dub for dub. It's best of 7. Dub for dub. Best of 7. I told y'all ain't no lock-off rule.
Hold on the tarantula. I'm not interrupt your hosting. Hold on, man.
What? No, what?
Yes, sir. With the arts.
This is my stage.
All who say rough cut for lock off, say lock off.
You were supposed to do that in your round. Eh? No. Look at me. I'm in charge. Okay? What did I say? There is no lock-off rule. Relax. Get out my face. Fuck it. All who say lock off, put one hand on the ear, make me see it. Take them down. All who say the dance will continue to dub for dub, put one hand on the ear, make me see it. That's like a tie vote for me. And a tie vote means dub for dub. It's a tie vote. I can't give it to either side. It's a tie vote. Uno say lock off in the front, them say dub for dub in the back. It's a tie vote. The dance split. Dub for God. Best of 7. On a line up on yourself. Fargo, line up. Best of 7. Because you up now. Like I told y'all in the beginning, when the dance is over, I'm going to ask the crowd who won. All right? Dub for dub, play up best of 7. After the dub for dub, I'm going to ask Uno who win the entire blood clot dance. All right? Simple. Line up on yourself. Press a sample over yourself. Thank you.
All right.
Fargo, line up over yourself. Best of 7. Dub for dub. Best of 7. After that, the crowd are going to decide who win the blood clot dance. Not me. Them. Line up on yourself, please. So this is how it going to go. Dub for dub are going to be rapid fire. Them are going to play them song. You are going to play your song. Then we vote it. All right? Simple as that. You have a talker phone over there, sir? Give me next talker phone, please. Give me this. All that. Press a sample. Because I don't want no itching when time dub for play. I now ropes up on a thing. Your sample good? Press it again.
Good sound, rough
Just
cut
to make
sound.
sure.
Good sound, rough cut sound.
Press a sample over here so make me know say it live over here. Make case, please and thanks. Time ago. Press a sample. Let me hear. All right. Okay. Dub for dub start now. I left you so.
Go on again. Do it again. May I laugh. You know this when the dance start, me I laugh. When the dance start, me I laugh. Big up all who forward out a clash. Clash still a blood clot life. Brooklyn. And them set the dance, so you know. And them set the dance, so you know. Then say 5 round, 10 tune for tune. They reach a 4 on a ball lock off, so I run. Tune for tune in a blood clot, man.
Ruff cut sound. Big up. Ruffy, Barry, Steven. Blue to this.
Tune for tune in the morning. Run. King Fargo.
Sound boy run when Ruff cut on a bus. I feel it in sound, a Ruffy fall. When
Go play.
Yeah, me here now. Lord on that. Give it to him blood clot. Hey, pussy. I'm not supposed to play a tune with you, know. But if you tune, I love Brooklyn people. We're going to make it happen. All who some feel lock them off, gun on in the ear again. All who respect King Fargo, gun on in the ear.
King Fargo sound is playing.
Hey boy, we're going to separate the big man from the little boy now. Yeah!
I feel a little better. King Fargo, kill yourself.
Hands up.
Quick vote. If it's a rough cut, put up one hand. Take it down. If it's a Fargo, put up one hand. Fargo 1-0. Next song.
Jaja. No, sir. So, for here, so to this, so go down there, and hand them there. And hand them there. God Almighty. Bust the hole in the morning, yeah, let me tell you now.
How the rough cut sound this? Yo, Father Ruffy, hey. Barry, hey.
Big Fargo.
Yeah, the man who run the whole world. Black River, Saint Best.
Watch ya.
Anthony Red Rose pound the case. Run it, make we done it. Hey.
Watch ya.
Hardcore flex.
Big Fargo.
Rough cut, no run joke. We have the hardcore flex.
Watch ya.
We not love. In another dead sound territory.
Going again.
Give me this blood clot before me kick you off of this blood clot pussy. Hey boy, that not playing early. Yo, a first blood clot round song them a play. New York, who don't want me bust him up now?
Lincoln, congratulations, Sugar Mine, and keep
Every
on
time,
stuff.
know that. Sound dead ya now. Dead ya now. Sound boy, them dead ya.
Let me shut him in that face now. New York!
He live in a dance all style.
Pull out!
Quick vote. Rough cut, one on. Take it on. Fargo, one on. 2-0, Fargo, next song.
Buckland, Brooklyn. Father LP, I hear some reaching a dance now. The man playing song already and come play back a tune for tune. Buckland. You play one Herald Dunkley. God know me can't play no Sugar Mine. My son never bust. But the artist is alive when my son blood clot bust. Best player.
Sound. Body sound in town. And I'm Errol Dunkley, original Jamaican authentic art.
Play your song and come play back again.
Found.
What's
so
up?
big up man like Ruffy. You don't know Barry, big up yourself. Unruly OJ, big up yourself. Fire Blocks.
Brooklyn.
All the crew there.
Tell them.
Oh yes.
Listen. Up in your ears. Up in your blood clot ears. Batty boy ears.
Nobody's talking about King Fargo. You and your jumping sound dying tonight. Ruff could gonna kill you.
Yeah, let's have me play, man.
Gonna murder you. Ruff could gonna kill Fargo in a Brooklyn tonight.
Let me hear you know. Lord under. Pussy wall. Welcome to Brooklyn, New York. You hear me? And that's how we play dub for dub. All who want me done him in the morning, go down in the ear.
The song on the dance, Godfather said that. The one
Johnny
that is a
Slicker,
classic.
listen.
King Fargo Sound Station.
Johnny Asper.
Whoa.
New York.
My sound.
Buckland.
King Fargo champion sound. Just let the truth manifest it.
Wheel out. Fuck no. Fuck.
Relax. Quick vote. Rough cut, one on. Me I look. Take them down. Fargo, one on. Rough cut, get that by the edge. Yeah, them get it. Fair and square. Next song.
Buckland. Bro, man. You want me play about 6 songs before they give me. Yo, I clash this. I enjoy my blood class. All in my bro, you know, say I laugh. I enjoy my blood class self. Listen me now. So, Me play one song and you play a custom. You play a song and me play a custom. And you not say a playback you do, but you say a playback me do. You play one little John, me go kill you again.
Fargo, you're not going to the kitchen. You never call us to come cook the people them food. We're not going to go cook my youth and Lego selecting, man. And we gotta do Fargo. Hey, don't play with Ruff cut, yeah?
Make him have to dig out in box in the morning.
Ruffy, large up and flash up Barry.
Watch out!
Unruly OJ. Fire blocks. Send best. Fargo, you're dead. Yeah, man. Ruff cut are gonna murder you. Murder them.
Let me show you.
Gotta watch Ruff cut. Kill off the boy Fargo. I gonna watch a boy to die.
Watch out! Bam!
Let me take off him blood clot. Hey, let me kill him now, New York!
Building up King Fargo. Winston Flicker says so. Come on, right to the top, King Fargo. Dash it up.
Yeah, let me turn him now! New York!
Yeah, them ball. Wow, sir.
Ruff cut!
King Fargo in the dancehall. With a dub plate in his hand, son boy. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Relax, 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 relax. Really, bro? Quick vote. Rough cut, one on. Take him down. Fargo, one on. That's 4-1. I'm a C student, but best of 7. 4-1 is our winning score. Simple as that. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion for the 2024 War Grung Sound Clash, the winner from Brooklyn, New York.
Yo, let me say something.
King Fargo. But before, you want to say something?
Yeah,
Say something now, because my time done.
Because I sports this and that. Big up everybody will come out this morning if you support the clash. Seeing God, they must say Sound Clash dead, Sound Clash not dead. No time. King Fargo. Big up yourself. You win by your ground. So you go. You understand? But me have to play smart. I have to play smart. Big up all the elder sound in that place. Earth Ruler. LP. Yo. Big up all the original sound in that place. Big up yourself. See, good win here. We are sportsman. That's how it go. Big up yourself. Fargo, big up yourself. War chef. Big up.
Yeah, New York, Brooklyn.
Ringo.
Yeah.
When you're done, me have some flyers to read, because I have to big up the
See,
people.
give thanks.
Do nothing.
New York people, I love you. Give thanks and praise. Saying King Fargo will defend Brooklyn with your life. Saying, love you, all enough respect. King Fargo, chef. Big up yourself every time. Chris Cross, the whole entourage, Jeremy. Saying,
Brooklyn, New York. A minimum deal. 1 year now, I play King Fargo sound. Big up on yourself, and I'm going to say more of me and more of Ringo Starr. And my brother DJ Flames, big up. Yeah, they are Charlotte right now. You couldn't make it tonight. DJ Shadow, more life and blessings. Wicked clash of keep, bro. Big up Tech 9, anyway, I'm there. Bad Indian, we see you. Irish Red, big up yourself. Lady Kaya, big up. You understand? See if travel upon the gravel, you know, people. You know what the thing go. Tarantella.
Big up, you know. Don't know. Mixer. People don't forget. Thursday, the 19th of December, the place to be is right here. You have a thing called Legends of Jah Army. Featuring the Abyssinians live. You know, say a Rasta something. My kind of something that, you know. You see it. Don't forget, it's all about Digital Steel Sundays. That is tomorrow. Place to be is Hello Meadow, Wally Bad Sound, Fargo, Young Guns, Soul Supreme, Tech 9, Taurus, Warriors Choice, Bad Dance. Do not forget, January 25th, Late Terrest Sound Clash, Hello Meadow. That is Cannabis versus Young Guns. Big up on yourself. Big up Sean Piper. You don't know, Fire Cup is coming up. This is Rumble in Brooklyn, March the 8th. Mixer versus Notorious versus Super Force. 1330 Utica, you don't know. Do I have any more flyers to read? Hold on 1 second. Selector Fierce, Earth Strong Celebration, place to be a slash. February 22nd. Big dance. Don't forget. Tech 9 said, make sure to read the flyer. Yes, sir. This dance, June the 7th. Place to be is Compound. Total Annihilation. Hold on there. Bless up. June the 7th. Compound. Blunt Posse versus King Klepto. Big dance. Y'all niggas and y'all dances. April the 19th. Studio 718. King AP versus Destiny. I'm not ready. Sound Clash. Big up Shadow. Big up Tech 9, the promotion. You got a flyer for me to read? Because this is going to be the last one. Everybody walking out now, and it's break. This is Christmas Eve. Organized, centralized. We're 4609 Church Avenue, right down the street. Yeah, it is Culture Cartel, Ital King, DJ Golden Kid, Christmas Eve. Organized, centralized, big dance. Big up Venom Y2K, the sound good. Y'all know that already. You gonna say that. My mom, you're raw soul. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming. Good night.